that now? You belong to this house. And the dog is still a knock like that. You can't better the knock anyhow. I said the race. Yeah. Jesus! Sorry, no face, I beg. No face. No face, oh. No face, I beg. My head, oh. Hey! Jesus! Please, bring that gun down. I don't want to die yet, I beg now. Bring it down.
Borisa, where your boss day? Where your guy there?
He didn't tell me I'll go get money. He gonna give you money, I beg.
Shut up! Take us to your gun.
Okay, sir, I beg, let me bring down this gun. Bring down that one, I don't want to die.
Will you keep quiet and take us to your boss now? If not, you see yourself for burial ground. Move! Wait! Did it just wheel on your body? Guy, she say she don't use urine scatter everywhere. We will just pity him. Just keep your gun down. But any funny movement, you could blow off your head. No even try him. Now, move!
You don't see the point me.
I said move! Move!
So you mean we should order this one? This is $3,000. This is...
Move it! Go! This head! Stop it!
That one we had for back now, the wife, now she get the money.
Where is the money?
Please don't shoot. Anything that you want, I'll give to you. Please don't shoot.
Can I be going now? Show you what you want now.
Shut up! Nobody is here. Now, move!
Please don't shoot. I'll move.
Oh yeah, move them, move! I'll move! My friend, move, my friend! Don't waste my time. Move! Keep on moving. Move! Boys. Move it! Move!
You are sleeping. I'm begging watching a man.
Will you be poor and be a witch at the same time?
Yeah, you are very stupid. Oh, so no, you are sleeping now. You are sleeping. You have not sold anything and you are sleeping. In no sense, you don't have sense.
How much did they pay you? How much they make for this thing daily? Talk true. Can't me that you will not be flogging me because of this thing. You know the kind of dream I was having. With my millionaire husband in my mansion, big mansion, I have cars, I have servants, people serving me everywhere, ma'am.
Close that your mouth before you expose your stupidity. Watch a porno before I use one dirty slap and slap stupidity out of that your brain. You are mad. You are very stupid. I can say that your malaria has graduated into acute one. It has started chopping your brain. In fact, what you need now is conquer mixture. In fact, you need a mixture of Bubonise and Agbonde Yoruba so that they will cure your stupidity and more fortunate.
Do you know what it's just to you? It's just that you are looking down on me because I am here with you. You don't know that I have my own future? I have my own future. Please leave me alone.
Hey, Onye Meremiha. Onye can measure age wage rano fear we pomoko. Onye can measure who did I offend? Age rigo. In fact, they have used your brain to do abacha. Just look at you. You are useless. I knew it. Right from the day I gave birth to you, and you cried that evil cry when you were coming out, I knew you were going to be useless. You are settled now. Mpama. That is what you are. Mpama.
I'll not just blame you because I've seen that you are both poor and blind spiritually. So
I'm
this your kind of business is drawing me back, both spiritually, physically, emotionally. So if I think that I'm not tired of this shop, I'm lying. I swear. This shop is just smelling poverty everywhere and it's dragging me back. Allow me to go out there and know what I'm doing with my life. Let me go and meet my destiny helper, I beg. Please, let me not drown in poverty. Please.
Hunger will just kill you. If you're too hunger will, that's hunger that gone. I don't blame you. I named you Tongwa, now you are thinking highly of yourself. Okay? See, I named you Tongwineko. I only named you Tongwa out of faith. Yes, so that I will know if God will pity me. And change my life through you. By faith. Ineko. Now look at you. Just look at what you're saying.
You are tying me down.
Tying you down. I'm going to tie them down. Because of you are not married. Customer, how are you?
Fine, ma.
What do you want?
Mama, 300, pap 200.
Oh, so bad.
So you don't want sugar and milk. You don't want sugar.
Sugar and milk. Wow, in this economy, I don't want sugar and milk.
Eh? Mama, did you hear her? You don't want sugar and milk.
Close that your mouth. Close that your long mouth.
What in the economy do you? Not only you suffer pass. Not only they carry the country for head, I mean not only they the country.
You don't close your mouth.
Oh, now what? Scan your poverty customers, eh? Yeah. I'm going to take only milk now, at least protein, a vitamin. Make it your body, you know.
I mean, you dash me.
Yeah. Like shop, like customers. Poverty customers everywhere.
Thank you, ma'am.
This Biz woman never disappointed me before. Which kind of thing be all this one?
She know they come now. Let's go tomorrow.
No, don't wait small. She go pick my call whether she like him or not. Which kind of thing be this?
Mama, is this not that rich customer? The car.
Naim.
Naim, the car with that.
Waiting. Why you they ask? Wait first, this woman, you go pick this call. Hey!
You sure, right?
Are you okay? You there?
No, I'm feeling dizzy. I want to die.
Okay, you feel like you want die.
I want to
She
die.
wants to die. Okay.
Let's take her to the hospital.
You want to go hospital?
No, you know I'm not eating.
It's true. She has not eaten.
I need to chop.
Yes, she's supposed to chop before she go hospital. Hey, Ungwa, what do you want to
Okay, what do you want? Should I get a beverage or something?
I
Make she
want
talk.
chicken. Chicken and rice. Big one. I want spaghetti and swallow.
Okay, you want snail?
Yes, I want fish. Catfish.
Catfish. You want Ungwa?
And periwinkle.
And periwinkle. See her.
Okay.
Now what she wants?
Okay, fine. So everything she has mentioned, how much is it?
100,000.
No, man, na the accident. 50,000. I go run, go buy everything.
Okay. I don't have cash with me. Can I make a transfer? Is it possible?
Yes, transfer to my account.
No, transfer to my own account.
For what
To
now?
open, to open. I have my own account to open.
No. Why?
No, now my own is fast now. No network issue. You send it to my account, you have issue. Like network to delay, but send it to open.
No.
Okay.
Call. I call the account number.
Can I have that account number?
Yes, 70 55 30 no 80.
Hi. Thank you so much, customer. I don't buy the things. You be better person, oh. Just you just get patience. Wait. Come make sure I buy everything. Now God, now go bless you. See anything where you put your hand, you go, they go. God go bless you. Don't worry about my daughter. I know her very well. Once I give her this thing and she chop up, she go there okay.
I hope so. I hope so.
No, she go there fine.
Okay.
But customer, I don't understand what thing they happen. Because I know they see you again the way why they see you before. You know they come around again. You sure say everything they okay with you?
Yeah, sure, everything is fine. Just that I've been indoors mostly these days. Why? Because I fired my security man. That boy was misbehaving. So I was left with no other alternative but to just fire him.
Hey!
So I've been indoors now until I find someone else to take his place.
And you know, say these days, the kind eye where everybody don't tear. For you to get better person where you go trust, where you go stand for your gate, they take care of you and your properties. In fact, you go get connection to get that kind of person. I dey tell you.
Yes, and it's not as if this person has so much to do. What I need is just somebody who will close and open the gate for me. Somebody who will not let strangers walk into my compound. That's it.
Ogu?
That's it.
Now small work be that now. Woman feel run am, I dey tell you. Woman feel run am. Nothing dey there.
A woman? I'm not sure.
Now you be say you don't know the kind of women where they born these days. See, make I tell you, never hear of the talk say anything where man fit do, woman fit do and pass. I dey tell you, woman fit run am na small thing, not be to stand for gate. They make sure say person know.
Well,
woman fit do am.
you might be right. Never can tell, you might be right.
Now where you don't agree, say woman fit do am. Give that job to my daughter. She go do am well. That my daughter, na okri body na wine. She no dey fear anybody. She no dey fear face. She dey very brave. In fact, for this whole place, she dey very popular. So anybody wey carry something bad for mind come that your gate. Once they see am, then go mellow because they too like am.
Okay, so Madam Charity, which of your daughter are we talking about?
Now only one child I get now. I know why you dey ask me this question. Forget that thing. That girl dey very tall inside, and they tell you. She no dey fear anything. Cockroach, mosquito, they no fit pass am. No be pikin why I train. See, she no go even collect too much money. Wait, how much you want pay first? Oh, I don't want me here.
Mama, welcome.
One trash. Chief for that case, yeah? Or he what you mean? Which balance?
Mama, don't even tell me that. Don't give me story because it's my house that gave me that money. Where's my balance?
Are you mad? You that is talking, have you paid for anything that you have eaten here? My friend, go and bring chair for me. Listen, if you don't bring that chair, I will not tell you the good news that I want to tell you. And you see this good news? Hey, it will bring us more money and more connection. So if you like, don't go and bring the chair. That's how you will miss one big news now because of your stubbornness. Hey, look what? Hey. Anyway, let me tell you. You see that man? That man that we played that accident trick on.
I knew it. Oh, my dream would not come to pass. I know, Mama. I do it. You know that I used to tell you that I'm a spiritual woman, but you will not believe me. You will never believe me. Don't worry.
So, if they ask you now why you are shining your teeth now, what will you say? Why you don't even allow me to finish?
Mama,
why are you excited?
Finish. You don't need to finish. What I saw in my dream has come to pass. Don't worry. You don't need to tell me. Okay?
That's your malaria dream.
You don't need to
My
tell
friend,
me.
sit down. Let me tell you what I want to tell you now. No, Anna. You see that man?
You want to just
Come and sit down, no. See, that man said he is looking for a security officer. Yes, he wants somebody to be doing security work for him. If you see how I packaged you, yeah, I packaged Pronganya. I told him that he will never get a more befitting security officer than you. I told him that everybody know. I told him that with you, he is safe. Now listen, he agreed to hire you. Not only is the money very fantastic, the pay is very good. If you start working for him, you start meeting all those his rich friends. And you know what it means? They'll be dropping tips for you. When they are coming in, or when they are going out, or get something. Now, when you add all those tips and then add it to your pay, I can try. Yeah, I tried, Abby. What is this one? Meaning what?
Monster.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome to my house. So, are you sure you can do this job? Don't you think it might be so taxing for you?
So, sir, I know that this is what you asked me when I come, but that one is not a problem at all. Just leave that one for me. I'm capable. Right from when they gave birth to me, I already know that, oh, this is my calling, this is my work. And I took it upon myself and said that I am going to make it in this security personnel team. In fact, I already told myself that if I'm working here, that you are going to promote me with the way I work. Don't worry, just trust me, trust the process. You're going to like it.
You are a smart girl. Hopefully you can do this job.
Thank you, sir. I'm not only smart, I am strong. I am capable, I have strength. Forget the size, though. Forget anything. No. Let me take you to the story of the Bible. You know David in the Bible. What happened to David? David went from a shepherd boy to becoming a very strong man in the Bible. What of Daniel? Daniel from lion's den. They put him inside a comfortable place, like someone that is very sweet and stable for him. What about the other one that his brother sold as slave? What happened to him? Now he's one of the biggest, not now, but he's one of the biggest and strongest men in Egypt. So trust me, I got you. Maybe from this small gatesman work now, he just promotes me to another thing. You never can tell.
It's fine. I like your humor.
Fine. You like my humor. I never call you like my humor. Don't worry, very soon you will like me entirely. Trust me. Thank you, sir. Thank you for liking my humor. It's not easy.
Okay. I will introduce you to the rest of the staff later.
Alright, sir.
For now, you need to go to your duty post, check the security house for anything that you'll be needing. If there's another thing that you need that's not there, please do not hesitate to let me know.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I will do that, sir. Alright, sir. Okay, let me introduce myself again to you. My name is Utonwa, Sugar Baby. I'm very calm, I'm very fun to be with, I'm very fun, I'm very happy, I'm very, everything good. So just when you are free with me, you are free. Anything you need, come and relate with me. I'm somebody that is fun to be with. You are free to ask me anything, you are free to come and tell me anything, you are free to relate with me. I'm always there for you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
100 naira, but I can give you 200.
The sweets.
You don't already finish, so you get luck, say you come now.
Give me 200 naira.
Doing this akara business without one could be very difficult too. Eh? But at least that her job go make me, I go the fit go Obiora house or anyhow I like. Eh? I fit even ask Mr. Obiora for small money, make he take help me for my business. Even if he mean make I use Utonwa do collateral. Eh? Hey! Enokwa. Now I don't get big man connection. Very soon, I go stop this akara business, find better business wey go dey beneficial to me.
Oh, please sit. Thank you. I believe you both have met our new security.
Yes, we have, sir. Yes, we have. But sir, if I may ask, can she handle this? You know, from her looks and size, she does not seem fit for this job.
It's not about looks and size. She is fit for this job. And from what I have gathered, she's very popular in this area. Everybody knows her. So I think I need her. With that, criminals will find it very difficult to come around. Or don't you think so?
Bossa, I think that girl looks like a child. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that I don't think she can handle the job. I'm just saying.
She's not a child. You all need to help her and make the job very easy for her. Let's see how it goes.
Sir, if you're finding it difficult to find one, I could help you. I could easily make inquiries and contact someone for you.
Yes.
Frank, what happened to the ones that you found in the past? You keep bringing criminals to me in the name of security. Do not make me remember something that I'm trying so hard to forget.
I'm sorry about that.
Sorry for yourself now. Leave. Get out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. What are we going to do about security? Or should I say that thing out of the gates?
My love, I don't think there is any cause to worry. I will handle this girl, okay? She will leave in no time. Stop stressing yourself about this girl, please.
Are you sure? Or do you have any plans of sending her away? Or you're just imagining that she cannot cope? Just let me know.
I will frustrate her till she leaves this house. I can't allow her to spoil things for us now. You know how we've worked tirelessly to get to this stage. So it will not work. It won't.
I hope it works. Because I'm looking forward for us to finish our mission here. So we can leave at once. You know everything, right?
I know, baby. Trust me, okay? I will do everything humanly possible to make sure she leaves this house in no time. That girl, she's just a rat, for Christ's sake. You don't need to be worried or scared about her. Huh?
Are you sure?
I'm sure, Jerry. Come here. She's just a small rat. You allow this to bother you.
I'll protect you with everything in me. Try guide you with every strength I have.
Hey, don't worry. I'm trying to, assume my responsibility, my position, my everything. I'm trying to, fit in.
And who told you you can make use of this? Where did you get it from?
I got it from that get my house. Nah, that's yeah. Don't worry, I can handle it. I'm very capable. I can handle it. This is small compared to what I used to carry. You know, it's very small. I can handle it. Don't worry. Hey, who is there? Who are you? What do you want?
What's going on here? Frank, let me officially introduce to you our new security. Her name is Otonwa.
Yes. My name is Utonwa, meaning sugar baby, sweet girl. I'm the new security personnel in this place. So who are you? May I know you?
New security.
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Frank.
Frank is my site manager and he lives here with me.
Your site manager.
Yes, absolutely.
And he's looking like a Konwa boy. Boy. Why? Well, it's okay. Let me just go back to my post. No, I'm not biting. No one.
Sir, it's everything all right?
Yeah, sure, I'm fine. Please sit.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me. Try, guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit it, do you have more? Try, wonder my watch and know you are safe. May nobody joke with my.
Frank, what is it again? Sit.
Thank you, sir.
What's happening? What is it? Why are you back?
Sir, even after the introduction and everything, I've been so restless. My spirit does not suit well with this girl. And sir, you know I am concerned about your safety and well-being. I care about you, sir, so it gives me trouble to see all this.
Thanks for the care. I so much appreciate. But I'm still the boss, and my decision on her stands.
You're right about that, sir. But sir, considering the fact that she's handling a gun, sir, just look at her size. It is not even safe for her to handle that gun. Sir, please, I need you to look into this and see from my own perspective.
About the gun? Yes, I'm still thinking about it. About she being the security. I want her to start getting used to it because there's nothing you or anyone else can do about it.
You're right, sir. You have the final say.
Please, you can leave.
Thank you very much, sir. Ma, you know, the last security we had was shot in cold blood by armed robbers. You know, my boss is a rich man and it attracts lots of bad persons. And we are bothered about your innocent daughter. That is why we are here.
Ma, we know that you need this money, but your daughter's life is in danger. That's why we are here.
God no go gree. Nothing go happen to my daughter. We no go work. But Mr. Obiora tell me say, na sack the last security man wey dey there. Why una two come here come dey tell me a different version of the story? I no understand.
Ma, you know Mr. Obiora is a very coded man. He wouldn't want to disclose this to an outsider. And we're just trying to protect your daughter because we love and care for her.
Exactly. Ma, if you love your daughter, please, you have to stop her from working there.
Yes.
Oh, Makanduya.
So, if all these things they happen for that house, why una two still dey work for there? Abi una no value una own lives? Life no dey sweet una.
No, it's just...
Ma, you know we are always inside.
Yes.
And she's always at the gate.
Exactly.
You know what that means? Please, you have to do something, eh?
It's okay. I don't hear una. Una make una come dey go. Una don't try. Una don't try well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Mana make a question now. Thank you. Thank you, man.
I know say Mr. Obiora no fit lie to me about this. A lie. Moreover, this place too small now. This town dey very small. If anything like that happen, we for don't hear am. So why they come dey lie? Na him I no understand. Why did they lie? Eh? Wetin be their gain?
Otongwa sugar girl, na na na. Aye, Otongwa sugar sugar. Cheche, Otongwa no dey take any nonsense. But Otongwa na dreamer. Waiting the hungry and me no dey market. Che, mechem ah. Otongwa batago aye. I dey everywhere, chief security officer. Aye, if you dey misbehave, Otongwa go catch you. Che, everybody on guard, because Otongwa dey for house.
Is something wrong with you or what?
Who are you?
And if I may ask, where is the security? Are you the security?
What are you looking for? Hey, hello. What are you looking for?
Why haven't you opened the gate since?
Why did that what? What are you looking for?
Why haven't you opened the gate since? My taxi has been on in all through for over 30 minutes.
You have been knocking. What happened now? You have been knocking ahead. Did you die? As you knock, I don't open the. Did you die?
Are you okay?
Did you die? Yeah, are you okay? Don't question me in my territory.
I don't blame you. I blame Obiora. Just get out of my head before
Come back here. I'm talking to you.
Are you serious? Hey, God.
I'm talking to you. You won't get on me without my final clearance. You moved it. You opened this gate. I entered this compound without my own cost. Are you okay? Come and consent.
I blame Obiora for employing a team like you as a security personnel. Nonsense.
Who are you?
If you
can't play with you. Who are you? In fact, don't move. If you move, I shoot you. Remain there.
Obiora!
Hands up. Hands up.
Don't point that gun at
Drop
me.
that phone. Drop it.
Do not.
Drop that
Do
phone.
not point that gun.
I said hands up.
Can you drop it?
Anything you say will use against you now.
Drop it.
Drop it. Hands up.
I told you my woman is coming to the house today. Why do you refuse to open the gate for her? And why do you have to chase her with this gun?
What's she doing? Is she normal at all? Is this thing normal? What's this?
Sorry, sir. Pardon my manners, sir. It's just that me, I did not see anybody at that gate. I did not see anybody. The only person I saw there is agent of destruction. Somebody that is there to destroy you, distract you from concentrating on building your family, your future wife, your future everything. This person is there to destroy you.
Obiora! Can you hear her? I can't take this thing. I can't take it.
Stop pointing me.
Will you shut up? I'm talking to you. Shut the hell up.
Go, man.
Obi.
My mama never died.
One more word from you, I promise you, you will lose your job. I'm not joking.
Just like that. Just want to fire me. Ha. You never rich now. We just play.
Wait. Are you going to retain her after the nonsense she just did to me, Obiora? You still want to retain her?
I not say normally you tell me say you're gay, they come. I just they want you and you're gay. Just they play, you understand? Auntie, calm down. You'll be fine, Auntie. Fine people not supposed to vex. Fine woman, shape like figure 8. Look at that. Chat, you fine, well. Forget all this my bad mouth too. I just you know say sometimes all this gets man work. If they make person they come up sense anyhow. So I need somebody to talk to understand. Sorry, I just vexed.
Otonwa,
Sir.
please leave.
Wait, what did I just hear you call her? Oton?
Not Oto, like O-T-O, Otonwa. It means sweet baby. Somebody that is sweet, somebody that is fun to be with, somebody that is happy, somebody that is joyous, somebody that is like everything good. Yeah, great, Oto baby. Sweet baby, that's the meaning.
Was your parent normal when they named you that name? Were they okay? Were they on cheap colors?
Hey, no go there, I beg. Don't insult me. That one I will not take from you. Don't ever insult me in your life. In fact, don't even insult my parents' joy. Because you go get the craze in me. And the craze, yeah? I beg, no go there. Sir, sorry, sir. But no insult me. Don't try it. I will face you again.
You just shut up.
Otonwa, just leave.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me. Guide you with every strength I have.
Just leave already and get this thing off my face. Can you imagine? You have to choose between me and her. Who stays and who leaves?
Because I know they use and play. Now my person.
I'm not touching the game. What is going on here, John?
Why are you looking for me?
You are very stupid. Is that how you're supposed to greet me? Are you not supposed to greet me? Am I your mate? I'm asking you, am I your mate? I can see that you are looking for Charity's problem. Be careful of what you're wishing for. Be very careful because Charity's problem is huge. And I am ready to give it to anybody, anyhow, anywhere. And what
is she talking about? Why is she even here? Who opened the door for this mad dog to come in? Who did?
I don't know.
Why? Why did you open my door for her to enter? Yes, who are you?
You call me a mad dog. I don't blame you. So because Obio is using you to cure his country, your mind is not telling you that you're the madam of the house. And your mind is telling you that you are important. You are feeling like a demi-goddess. Now for what? Instead of hiding your fornicating and sinful face in shame, you have the guts to call me a mad dog. You are very stupid.
Ijeoma, I am losing my patience. Take her out of this house.
Madam, you have to be that's if I as much as smell you. If I smell this your odor again, if you come close here, I will tear you into pieces. And you, frustrated goat, how dare you? How dare you insult my daughter? Look at you. At your age, I'm going to let me tell you, I'm off your Chineke Bruno. Look at who is insulting somebody. Do you have a mirror in this house? Because if you have a mirror and you have looked at yourself, shame will not allow you to have an opinion concerning my daughter. You not rich. So let me sound it as a note of warning. The next time you try it, the next time you insult my daughter, or use unkind words on her, or even as much as look at her in a very funny way, I will make sure you leave this place naked.
Look at this useless village never do well. You think I didn't hear about you? You think I didn't hear about you and Otonwa's father? How it started and how it ended. Wow. Now tell us, where is our father? Where is our father? You are here ranting and shouting on top of your voice because you are a village tout. Hey. If you don't get out of my sight and out of this house, I will lose it and you will not like it. Hey! What is this?
This useless woman at 110. No! That's a 1. Charity 0. Number 1. Never.
Are you still here? Leave my house. You are a bombastic element. Yes, that is what you are. You are a frustrated old woman. Agadio kwenka, agadi wanyi baby. Chetara powder nobody. Old layer. That is what you are. And that is what is frustrating you. You know that Obiora will never marry you. What will he see? What will he see near glasses? What will he see? Because even from where I am standing, I can perceive your menopause. It is rushing fast.
Between me and you.
But you know he will not marry you, and that is why you want to vent your frustration on my poor innocent child. Don't try me.
Between me and you.
Look at who is talking about
Between me and you, who is frustrated? Because you are a frustrated old woman standing here sweating and your scarf is off your head and you are blue scarf and you are shouting.
I agree. I am an old woman, but I have achieved something. I have a child. Get the key away. At menopause, you don't have anything to show for it. That is why you are frustrated. That is why you are going to see your milli.
Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave. Don't let me change it for you, madam. Just get out.
You don't need to tell me 2 times. Only the order coming from you. It is enough to pursue me out. It's enough to get out. I'm not running away from you. Get out.
Don't let me lose it.
I will give you a
Don't let me lose it.
Foolish goat.
Don't let me lose it.
The next time my daughter complains.
It's your mouth you're waiting for.
I will leave when I want to leave. I said, come and leave.
Do not do that again.
What do you want to do? Will you please?
Can you please leave? Please.
Don't touch my bag.
Leave my house.
Don't touch my bag. Don't touch my bag. Don't touch my bag. That is what I said.
How dare you bring that mad woman to me? Are you crazy? Do you have sense at all?
She insisted she must see you, and she pushed her way through.
Why did you push her? Push her! Are you daft? Can't you use your sense?
I never knew she was there to make trouble since she's Thomas' mother.
The next time you make this mistake, the next time you try this, I will skin you alive. Did you get that? Did you get that? Rubbish.
Please, stop crying, okay? It hurts to see you this way. Please, I beg you.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? She slapped me for no reason.
I'm so sorry. Please, I promise you I will talk to her, okay? And it will never repeat itself, please. I don't like it when you are in this mood.
Please, let's just leave here. Let's leave already, please. We have made enough money. Please, let's leave before things get worse.
Babe.
I beg you.
Please, babe, you just need to be patient, okay? We need to get rid of the securities and everything. Babe, we need to make more money before we leave. I know how you feel.
What if we can't get rid of her? With you, I'm saying this. Babe. It's not going to be easy to get rid of her. Please, let's just leave. Babe. Let's just leave.
Listen, you need to trust me, okay? You need to believe in me. I will sort this out. I promise you. You trust me, right?
Why don't you travel my house? Eh? Why don't you come this house?
What are you doing?
I don't understand. Is this your duty post? Like, why are you here? Are you supposed to be here?
No, I was in my duty post. I just said I was close to the window and I said, let me look inside this parlor and know what's going on, if this place is secure. And I saw the way we are strangling him and you were saying, I want to bomb this, I want to scatter. Why will you scatter the house? I beg, never scatter. Never scatter, I beg you.
Did you see what I've been saying? I don't know why you decide to retain her to continue to work here. Can you please fire her immediately? I can't take it anymore.
Otonwa, as you can see, I'm fine. Nobody's trying to choke me.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
It's not like I'm prognosing, no. You know, I took an oath that I will serve you. I will do everything to protect you, even with my last blood. So that's why I'm trying to make sure you are okay. Oh.
Can you just keep quiet and leave this moment before I skin you alive? What is all this? Go and face your duty post.
Oh,
I think you get out!
He has given me order. Let me go.
Get out! Please!
Don't stop me. Don't come here. I beg you. Don't come. Don't never come.
Otongwa sugar girl, na na na. Aye, Otongwa sugar, oh. Cheche, Otongwa no dey take any nonsense, but Otongwa na dreamer. Waiting the hungry
I can't see myself. Allow me to let go.
I everywhere, chief security officer. If you misbehave, Otongwa go catch you. Everybody on guard.
Hey, you twat! Come on, open these gates for me. I need to step out to pick up something. Are you deaf? I'm talking to you. Come on, open the gates for me.
You're talking to me? What did you say?
I said, come and open the gates for me. I need to step out to pick up something.
What happened to your hand? Let me see your hand. Are you handicapped? Eh? You cannot open it yourself. Mugu, no open the stand away from me.
If you don't come and open this gate right now, I will make sure you are fired. And I'm serious about it.
Shut up your mouth, auntie. Auntie, shut up your mouth. Your papa no reach that side. Yes, can you talk up? See, me I know all these things though. See, me I know all these things though. Then they use you to wait for the main chick. You are just the side chick. They are using you to catch cruise. Use you to wait for the main chick. When the main chick come, you go make way.
You said what?
I talk up.
I don't blame you. It's just obvious that I am wasting my time to talk to someone who is useless like you.
Eh?
Yes. But the next time you try this with me, you will not like it. Let me just go to where I'm going to.
You are insulting me. Are you mad? You are insulting me.
Go back here. Your hands. I have been standing there. Are you mad? Old layer. Look at you. Oh, Chetarapad and Ambole. Eh? Oh, you expect my daughter to open gate for you? As what? As a gate woman? I did not bring my daughter here to open gate for a thief. Yes, a man thief. A consequencer. I brought my daughter here to open gate for the owner of the house, not you. How dare you? You are insulting my daughter. If you try it again, I will use you and mop this place. Madam, you will not keep coming to my house and be insulting me every time you come here. I do not like it. Everyone, will you shut up? If you step out of this place and you are coming back and this gate is locked, my fence, yes, my gate! My gate! That is where thieves coming from.
Yes!
In Anuya.
Aura.
I don't blame both of you. Like mother, like daughter. You will not keep coming to the house and keep shouting at me every time you come to Look at the way you are talking to a girl that is old enough to be your grandchild. Eh? Who took you? Who are you? I want you money. Who took you?
Energy. E for energy. Yes. Aura for aura. You will get it hot.
Listen. I did not come here for you. I don't have time. Remember the last time I came, I had time for you. And you know what happened? Today, it's not for you. I came here to have an important discussion with the important person that owns this house. Eh? This one that you are keeping your face like a deity that have not chopped sacrifice since 1940. I don't want you to spoil show for me. Enough of this insult. When I am done, you will know. Enough. Be my bum. Be my bum. I know what you can do. Yes. I trust you. Orange. Filter. Yes. I trust you. I don't want to go.
No,
let's go like go back here. Where are you going?
Madam Charity, you said you're here for?
To discuss. Let us discuss about hazard allowance. It is allowance that is paid to people that have high-risk job. You are very dangerous. You know, so that it will boost their morale. Every employer has it in their budget. So that is why I am here to ask you. Not that I'm praying that anything should happen to my daughter. What will happen if anything happens to my daughter? That is what I want to know. How far?
I'm confused. What do you mean?
You're not confusing. What is confusing you? Is it not English sprinkled with Igbo that I just spoke here? You are an educated man, and I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. It is a standard practice. Everybody does it. Every employer must make allowance for this hazard allowance. And so since you want me to hit the nail on the head, boy, who's why the hell? Nah, I'm talking about compensation. Compensation.
Compensation on what exactly?
You know what I'm talking about. Listen, what are you going to compensate me with? It is very simple. Every employer has it in their budget. Asking if anything happens to my daughter, how far?
Oh, I see. So are you praying for something to happen to your daughter so you can be compensated and paid off?
God forbid. How can I say that kind of prayer? Do you know how I suffered in the labor room to give birth to that girl? I cried. But I saw heaven and I came back. Why do you think I'll pray that kind of prayer? But there is something called unforeseen circumstances. Yes! And you see that unforeseen circumstances only may be here. So we have to start tackling it now. That is what I'm asking you. What is your budget in case something happens to my daughter? But if you don't have the budget, no problem. That is why I'm here. So that I can pray. Put the calculator, I pick up. Sundays. Maka why? Don't you know Mr. Obio, our boss, is a ritualist? You just dodged a bullet. Yes. Yes. Just go and thank your God. Go and give thanksgiving.
Oh wow.
Maybe he wanted to use you for ritual and it failed.
What? So how do you know?
You're asking me how I know. The news is everywhere.
Wow.
Everybody in this area knows that he's a ritualist. Just that he lives in the house. You cannot see it. And that is why I want to resign.
That's why you want to resign?
Yes, any moment.
When do you want to resign?
Any moment from now, I'll be resigning. Why do you ask?
Because I want to take over. So I'll be getting ready. As I resign, I'll be taking over your own position.
You want to take over?
Yes, ma. He's a ritualist, Abby. He's a ritualist. The one that's a ritualist. Hey, you go, me, I'll take over.
I just told you he's a ritualist. You want to take over?
Hey, nah, he's not. He's a ritualist. Am I not the one that want to take over?
That girl is not a human being. I've never seen anyone like that before. Do you know that after everything I did to scare her, she was not even moved?
You know, we just have to keep trying, okay? I just hope this does not resort to bloodshedding. That is my problem.
Please, though, it will not. Let's just keep trying. Because I cannot stain my hands with anybody's blood.
You know,
else I'll leave.
I'm so pissed about the whole situation. The boss is desperate to chase her away. I just hope she does not. Yes, I just hope she does not suggest that line.
She should not even try it.
Your voice
She
now.
should not even try it at all. Except she will do it herself. People should count me out. I mean, I'm not in.
This is a very big issue. I'm just confused right now.
I beg you. Biko Kwano.
Well, it's fine. I will find a solution to this, okay?
You better do.
I will.
You better do.
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire!
Die by fire!
Die by fire!
Die by fire!
Any evil spirit that said I will not grow and marry my Prince Charming, Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Any spirit that said I will not be a grandmother, I will not wish to be a great grandmother, Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Die by what?
Fire! Die by fire!
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Yes! I will not die! I will not die!
Omeme!
Ultimate death is not for me!
Hey!
It's not for my family!
Hey!
Ultimate death, run away from us! Any evil people that are planning evil against me and my family!
Anyway!
Hey!
Thunder imrikiti anywhere
Hey!
Boya!
Hey!
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire!
I will marry and give birth to my children! My children will marry and give birth to their own children! Their own children will marry and give birth to their own children! Generation to generation! Generation to generation! Anybody that will say otherwise!
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire!
Die by fire!
I am talking to you. Obiora, I'm talking to you. Obiora, with everything that woman told you about her daughter, are you telling me you still keep her here working? I think you should fire her immediately.
Really?
Yes.
I kept this to myself since she told me about it. Because I do not want it to get out. I don't like that you confronted Otonwa about this. Do you even know how she might be feeling about it?
How she feels, you say? So you value her own feelings than my feelings? No. Make it make sense. The way you call her name, Otonwa, is there something I need to
Just stop it!
Stop what?
Stop it already! What do you even take me for?
What do you take me for? I should be asking you, Obiora. Who am I to you? Who am I to you?
Stop insulting me. Else, I'll be left with no other alternative but to do something that you won't like.
What do you want to do, Obiora? What do you want to do? I want to see what you want to do. Obiora, come back here. Come and tell me what you want. What?
Come here now. Come closer, come.
What are you doing with a gun?
Mommy, come in first, come in. One closer, one. Good. So, Mama Wagi, you. Mama, you are the one that wants to kill my destiny helper, right?
Chiro, hey!
My destiny helper.
You are actually pointing a gun at your mother.
Yes.
Look at the serious.
Mama.
But why would you even say that about me? For what now? You are talking to your mother.
Why are you the weaker father against my life. Why? You know my story and you want to change my story.
I'm okay now, here.
Yes.
Why would I want to do anything that will cost you harm?
So now that they want to upgrade me, that's why you have to come and change everything. You want to change my story around. You don't want me to achieve what I want to achieve, my dream, my destiny. You don't want me to achieve it again, right?
If that thing you are holding is not anybody's friend. You must go after God. This is next in life.
I must swear.
Drop! Huh?
Swear that you know how to kill me so that they will give you compensation. Swear.
Nunca!
I swear.
Why would you even accuse me of a thing like that?
Mama.
Nunca!
I know how to kill you. It's a lie.
You that I love so much.
Mama, it's a lie.
You that I love so much.
So happy she's not coming back. I'm happy everything is going as planned.
Neha. Ndochongonoko. Now only God know the evil when they hear the plan. Madam, see them.
Madam, what's happening now? What is it?
Troublemaker. I'm mother of another troublemaker. That is who you are.
Yes.
Who invited you? Onyekpaloge. Make I tell you something. I know say all on a plan now against my daughter. I know say una dey plan make she not come back to work. I know say everything what una dey do and make una frustrate my daughter, make them sack her from that work. Hey, mana make I tell you something. Jokwane say. Weapon aka when no before I come mad. I don't want una now because you know say as long as say I die alive, it not gonna fit happen. Una plans go fail. Respect your old age, oh, before I apologize. Before we insult you. What is all this now? No, insult me. I am here now. Madam. Insult me, make I hear him. If you don't carry your teeth for ground, don't say no.
Madam, what is it now? What is your problem now? Hey, is it because I'm respecting you? I would have dealt with you here. What is all this nonsense? Madam, I will deal with you. Let me. If I leave him alone.
Like daughter, like yes. Like mother, like daughter. No, come. I'm waiting for you. Put you to woman. Okay,
Frank, have you noticed that our security is not around? She left since morning and she's not yet back, which means that we need to look for another alternative, someone else to replace her.
Okay, sir.
So I can find a replacement if you don't mind.
Yeah, close that your dirty mouth. Such a problem.
What is going on here?
I should be asking you that because I don't understand. Eh? I was the one that came and made the request. Why are you now transferring your anger on my daughter? Why did you now fire her?
I never fired her. I left her and I returned and I was told that she left.
I was very angry. I was very, very angry at my mother because she wanted to sell me because of bag of rice.
What do you mean by that? Bag of rice? Am I that cheap? I wanted big money so that I can live well and enjoy my life. And pay my bills.
So big money now is bigger than your precious child. Your child, big money.
Yes. I thought we have settled this thing.
It's too hard to forget.
Why do you want to bring my leg outside now? What we are here for is for you to get your job back. Don't spoil it. All I want is for her to get her job back. Finish. Oh, Biko.
It's fine, Madam Charlotte. Like I said earlier, I never fired her. So of course, she can take her job back if she's willing.
I am willing, sir.
She must be willing. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Are you sure this is a good decision?
Yeah. Who is this Aguni? Are you deaf? Did you not hear that she has gotten her job back? You will go and get it. No, you will go and wake your great-great-grandmother from the grave to come and take the job. I'm off here.
Fine,
Why didn't you call me? Why are you such a useless fool? You're so useless. You aren't useful at all. What is all this? So useless.
Don't you dare ever lay your filthy hands on her again. Else I will ruin everything. And I'm serious about that.
Oh, Frank. Because of a little thing. Is that it? Huh?
What do you want her to do? She has done everything she's supposed to do. Sacrificed a lot for this cause. But yet, you're not happy.
Frank, because of a woman, you want to jeopardize everything. A woman that I gave you. Hey,
I am tired. I'm tired of everything. If you want me to quit, I'll just do that. Stop treating me as if I'm your slave. I am not. What is all this?
Hey, this is a conspiracy. It is obvious both of you have conspired together against me.
Nobody conspired against you. We need to do the thing we're supposed to do. Okay?
Simple.
And that is the goal.
Simple.
That is why we're here, not this one you're doing.
Oh, wow.
Hello, somebody in this house. Anybody here?
See, I am not here to make troubles. I am here for peace. Please.
The only thing I'd like to know is where you bought the audacity that you ate before coming to my house, because me too, I would like to buy one for myself.
I'm not here to fight with you. I'm here to make you an offer.
Are you mad? No, are you mad? You fight me in my own house. You can't even think it. Not even in a whisper. Because you know, if you try it, it is your corpse that will leave my house. You know that one very well.
Can't you just talk like a civilized woman? What is wrong with you?
Nanya, the only civilized thing I feel like doing right now is beating you blue and black. Yes! After beating you, then I will now decide to hear the offer that you want to make me. That is when I will decide whether I will take the offer or beat you again and kick you out of my house. You are not mad.
You're just a crazy woman like your daughter.
It's again. What did you just call me?
Anyways, I want to offer you 500,000. I want you to tell your daughter to stop working for my man. I want her to resign.
Hey! Hey! Charity etali weke. Charity, you have suffered. I don't blame you. I know that in your head now you are thinking, oh, she's just a poor akara seller, so 500,000 will be like 5 billion to her. Not so, because that is the only thing that will make you open that to think him out to offer that kind of rubbish to me. Is something wrong with you?
Just tell me it's not enough. Let me increase it. Why you shouting?
You are very stupid. You know I don't blame you. The only thing I blame is home training. Because I went for home training. If not for home training, look at yourself and look at me. Are you finer than me? Are you sexier than me? All it will take is for me to go and get one pinapina. I will dress up, all my shape and curves will be coming out. And then I'll be flying from one flight to the other, going to meet men, rich men and all that. Let me see where you, Okra Madu, will see me to come and offer this nonsense.
Today will be the last time you open your mouth to insult me. Because if you try this next time, I will deal with you mercilessly. What's all this? Because I came to make you an offer and all you did is to insult me. For what? What's this? Eh?
Now, who be that? Now, who be that? Now, who be that when they knock like that? Who be that? Now, you belong to this house. And you talk, you see they knock like that. You come better, they knock anyhow. I see they raise you. Yeah. Jesus! Sorry, no vex, I beg. No vex. Hey, no vex, oh. No vex, I beg, I beg. Ah! Ah! My head, oh! Hey! Jesus! Please, bring that gun down! I don't want to die yet, I beg now! Bring it down!
Borisa, where your boss dey? Where your guy dey?
He dey inside, I'll go get money. He gonna give you money, I beg.
Shut up! Take us to your guy.
Okay, sir, I beg, let me bring down this gun. Bring down that one, I don't want to die.
Will you keep quiet and take us to your boss now? If not, you see yourself on burial ground. Move! Move! Wait! Did it just wee on your body? Guy, she say she don't use urine scatter everywhere. You will just pity him. Just keep your gun down. But any funny movement, you could blow off your head. No even try him. Now, move!
You all see the point me, all see the point me.
I said move! Move!
So you mean we should order this one? Maybe this $3,000. This is...
Move it! Go! Stop it!
Don't shoot.
That one we had for back now, the wife, now she get the money.
Where is the money?
Please don't shoot. Anything that you want, I'll give to you. Please don't shoot.
Can I be going now? Show you what you want now.
Shut up! Nobody is here. Now, move!
Please don't shoot. Move. I'll move. I'll move.
Oh yeah, move! Move them! Move! I'll move! My friend, move! Move! Move, my friend! Don't waste my time. Move! Move! Keep on moving. Move! Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Move! Move! Nice. Move it! Move!
You see what I was telling you? Obira, did you see what I've been saying? She brought those armed robbers to you. Is she not supposed to secure the house, secure everybody living here? No, she didn't.
Come on, baby. Stop with the blame already. How do you expect her to control 3 men with guns? If it was a full-grown man that was at that gate, he wouldn't have been able to defeat them, and you know it.
Can you hear yourself? Then why is she at the gate? Tell me. What is the essence of she being at the gate, Obiora?
Maybe she's at the gate just to open and close it. That's it. If I needed a security, I know what to do.
But she's not supposed to bring the armed robbers to us. She's not supposed to. See, I think she's just senseless. She's stupid. She doesn't deserve this job. Why don't you send her back to her mother? She's better off selling akara with her mother on the streets. I am tired. I don't want to start repeating myself again, Obiora, please.
Baby, do you also realize that she was as scared as you were?
I don't care whether she's scared or she's not scared. She took the job as a gate woman, so she should do it. Oh, rubbish, nonsense.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me. Obio, guide you.
Guys, how far now? Where do you want to go?
Guy, try calm down. Your body today hot. We never conclude anything yet. Even boss lady never pick our courses yesterday.
But now she send me come here now. Eh? One more do the right thing now. Eh? Now they drop that money.
Listen, guy. The money will not reach us to share. The money too small.
Bagam.
And tell boss ladies you no go fit share with anybody.
Now the Chris.
Now what you they tell you?
Now the mad. What you they talk for here?
Come on and don't use me play. Wanna bring her that money? What did they stop for here now?
Bro.
Okay.
Bro.
Off my face.
You be like say you won't go greet your papa. You won't go tell your daddy, hello. Bro, if you do anyhow or do anything, you go collect. You go collect what.
I won't understand something. You don't reach one of the points come from my head.
Just see him. No, na stick where the point from. You go collect.
So you the point come from my head. Come on, na not try at all. Na not try.
Just see him. God. Go tell boss lady say the money never dey ready.
This thing when I do no jail. When I go hear from you.
Hey, guy. Go tell boss lady say no fish any money. The money never dey ready.
Money, no fish share that.
What are you doing here? Is this your work post? Is this where you're supposed to be?
Who are you to ask me that question? Am I owing you?
I don't understand.
You shut up.
I should shut up?
Yes. Let me talk.
Hey.
Keep quiet. This is my territory. Besides, Oga gave me the license to stay wherever I want to stay in this house. So you don't have any right to question me. So keep quiet.
In fact, you are fired.
Come on.
Get your useless self out of this house this moment.
Who is?
I say you should move.
No, if you touch me, if you talk, I swear to God, I'll change it for you. Are you okay? Are you high? Are you mad? Am I playing? Do I look like I'm playing with you? See, carry this your bad energy. Carry this your busybody out of my sight because now I'm going to keep. Forget that my name is Utonwa. May I have bad side of me. I have very bad side that you don't want me to show you. Do you understand? I am Utonwa, sweet girl, yes, of course. But I also have bad side. I don't let me to use it on you because you hate me.
Why am I even wasting my precious time? Exchanging words with this thing. It is obvious that you are insane. And please, before I will lose it, get out of this house.
You've already lost it. Every time you will lose it, you will lose it. My sister, you've been losing it. So you've been losing it. Just say, don't allow me to lose it completely. Even if you lose it completely, I will help you, my sister. I will help you get that and put it back to you. Because you have nothing on me. You've got nothing on me. Okay? My sister, carry your bad energy and move far away. Move far away from me. In fact, it's no longer bad energy. It is bitter energy. Carry your bitter energy and move far away from me because if I crush you,
Otunwa.
No, Otunwa, because don't spell my name.
Can you keep quiet?
Otunwa.
Keep quiet!
Otunwa.
What is wrong with you? I have been taking your excesses in this house.
Get out, my friend. Bad energy, stay far away. Just move far away from me. Don't even come for me. If you do that, I'll make sure I stand beside your head. Come on, say it now.
If you allow me.
Bitter soul, angry demon. See, you are not even bad energy. You are bitter energy. So just stay far away from me and bust your
Just leave this house this moment.
Maybe you should beat me.
I said you should leave.
Touch me. You should just know that my obi Bobonkiti will not even look your way.
Your what?
My obi Bobonkiti, my obi Nwa, my obi Daddy, he will not look your way. He will chase you out very soon. You should better get that into your thick skull.
It is obvious that you are insane. And your brain was cut short when they give birth to you. I have been taking your excesses. I have been managing you in this house. And I have been losing it. But if you don't want me to lose it completely, for the last time, I am telling you to leave this house.
I am not even managing yourself.
I said you should leave.
Swear to God, I will
Otunwa, leave.
I will land this on your head. You don't know me. Oh.
Leave.
Go ask questions though. Let me tell you something. You know this hormone that used to transfer?
Leave. I said
Come.
Get out!
Come.
I'm warning you for the last time. Get out.
Point me again, I will.
Get out.
Don't go and mess up. What did I say? Don't go and mess up. You go now to go take rugged this thing. Very soon I'm gonna come back. And I don't want to make you fall my hand at all. I beg. I take on the beg you.
Okay, question one I want to ask you. This plan so where you strategize, how want to achieve it?
Tell me how you want to achieve it. You there? What's in there? Don't worry. Now me go personally carry you, go where you go stand. You go stay there. Then anytime I call you, you go run. Come out. No where anything, where only busters.
Huh?
You go only but once I call you, just run, make it be say like if they want from person. Then that's just it for now. That's just it.
Guilty they bother me. You sure say na only that madam go dey inside room?
Listen, I tell you now, carry my water from my mouth. Now only I'm there, now only me and I'm there now. For now, now only me and so those people will come out. The other one go market, the other one go site. Now only me and I'm there. So she no go come down until Oga come. And if Oga come back, I will just call you. You go wrong. Simple. It's so simple. I beg.
You know why they ask you? Me, I no want wahala.
If you want make I kneel down, I go kneel down, beg. You know, for my hand, I beg. Now my opportunity be this, I beg. No use that. I beg. I beg.
Relax, I go do am. Unless na small thing, I'll do. I'll be bad boy and I'll do am. Shoot.
Wahala.
Listen, unless I go do am. I'll do am.
Yeah.
Honey, I'm home. Where are you? Baby. Young man, who are you? Tasha!
Who are you?
I'm talking to you, who are you? Baby, tell me who I am now. Tasha! Tell me now, I'm looking at me.
What's going on here? I don't know you. Who are you? Honey, I don't know you.
Why you denying me now? You have like 3 rounds.
See?
What?
I don't know you. Who are you?
Why you denying me now?
Say before I lose it.
I don't know who he is. I don't know you. Who are you?
You deny me.
Can you imagine? What's going on here? I'm seeing
You really do this right now. What? Don't stop. Tasha, what's the meaning of this?
I don't know who he is. I'm just seeing him for the first time.
Iko! Can you just imagine?
I don't know who he is. I don't even understand what is going on. I don't know how he got to the house.
Don't touch me!
I'm serious.
I said, don't touch me!
Please, just calm down. Maybe, I don't know, there might be misunderstanding story. No, baby.
Don't come upstairs with me! Don't come upstairs with me!
I don't know it.
Leave me alone!
If you say my baby, yeah, you go shut up, my baby too fine, no be make. Hey, my baby.
Hey, Jonah, who let that bastard into this house? How did he enter? Who opened the gate for him?
I don't understand. But I went to the market.
So, how did he get into this house? What was his mission? Why is he here?
I think Utonwa is responsible.
Utonwa? No. How? She doesn't have that mental capacity.
Also?
She can't even think that deep.
Eh? Don't even go there. You see that Chekeleke? She's smarter than you. Her brain is very sharp. Don't even look down on her. Or say, don't even go there. That girl is very, very smart.
You have to take a fall for this. Someone needs to be sacrificed. And that person is you.
What?
Yes. You will go to, listen. You will go to Opiara. Tell him the guy came looking for you. Tell him it was because of you he came.
I'll never do that. Never.
You will have to do it. You have no choice.
Please, count me out.
Ijoma,
you will.
You have no choice.
I will protect you with everything. Obi, Obi, guide you with every strength I have. Obi, nobody go fit do you harm. Jay, one time I watch and you are safe. Obi, nobody joke.
Mr. Obi. My Obi with the money. Obi with the golden money. Obi. You called me, sir.
Otonwa, you know I enjoy your jokes, but I'm not in my state of mind. Please go open the gate, I'm stepping out.
You're not in your state of mind. I know why you. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, it will be well. You know that your wife, that your girlfriend. Me, I know everything that is going on. But it's just that me, I don't like putting mouth to some things. So that it's not be like, oh, you hate her, oh, you don't like her, that's why you're doing all these things. Do you understand? I used to see when she would bring that man into this house. So.
What?
But yes, when I asked her, she told me that is my brother. It's my brother. So man, no need of doing my investigations. Do you understand? My grandmother used to tell me that all these five women, they don't have value at all. All of them, they used to cheat on their men. You see that? So now they don't marry again because of beauty. You marry because of brain, sense. If I'm you, I'll go and look for anybody with sense and not the person with beauty. What is beauty? If you marry beautiful people, that means you are marrying for the community. Do you understand? So, it's better you should go for brain. Somebody like me now have plenty sense. Like brain choke. Sense, be choke. It will choke. And me, I cannot even go and cheat on my husband like that. Somebody like you guys, you have money, you have everything. What is she lacking? Nothing.
Otonwa, thank you so much for your advice.
You're welcome, sir.
I appreciate it. I'm stepping out. Can you now open the gate?
Let's go out.
Yes.
In this your mood, you are still in your heartbreak mood. You're not supposed to go out. At least still be inside down, Flex with your mood.
Okay. So go open the gate.
Ah.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, no worry. Obi with money. Mr. Obi with the money. I have money.
You whore! You cheap slut! What are you still doing in my house?
Why are you accusing me wrongly? What's that?
You are leaving my house today!
You lie.
Not today!
Sir, I am sorry. The young man was there because of me.
What?
He's my boyfriend. And I stepped out to get something. I never knew that you were coming back. They said, please forgive me. I'm sorry, sir.
Ijoma, what are you talking about?
That man called Tasha darling right in front of me. And not just that, I am sure that he's referring to Tasha.
No, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. He only did that because he just did it to save me because he knew I was going to be punished if he find out I brought a man into the house. I'm sorry, sir. It will never happen again, I promise you.
Are you trying to say, or rather, are you insinuating that you have been bringing men into my home? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, sir.
I think you owe me an apology.
My love, my heartbeat, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you or disrespect you in any way. I'm sorry for not believing in you. You know you're everything and more than I ever wanted in a woman. And I'm telling you that I'm sorry from the depth of my heart. Please, forgive me. It won't happen again.
It's okay. But that guy is a bastard. And as for the cook, I think she needs to be fired.
Oh, come on, my darling. That wouldn't be necessary, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, she already said that she's sorry, so just let it go.
Okay.
Okay.
What's going on? Am I really seeing clearly, or am I seeing clearly? Am I dreaming, or am I like, what's happening? I came here to carry back because of what she did, and it seems people are still getting to know each other, like people are getting along. Is it the bad thing that made you people to start getting along, or you're just acting or something? What's going on?
Otun, if you don't leave here this moment, I will use your body to mop this floor. Get out.
Otonwa, please leave.
Just leave already. Get out.
It's my girl I'm respecting. I swear to God, you are the one I'm respecting, sir. Because I did not even talk to her. I've seen the way she's disrespecting me. No, I don't even have your time. I've told myself that I've not talked to you. That will come from your body.
Thank you.
You cannot be fine. You are even crying and seeing it fine.
Otonwa sugar, sugar, oh. Cheche, Otonwa no dey take any nonsense.
Babe.
Yes, baby.
Let's leave here already.
Babe, we'll wait soon, okay? We're not done yet.
Boy has lost a lot. What else does the boss want? His life?
No, babe. You need to understand. We take direct orders from the boss. So just calm down, okay?
Please, please. I don't want to get caught. You have to make her to understand. It's time we leave here before it's too late. That's what I'm saying.
Babe, just calm down, okay? Everything will be fine. Everything will be alright. We'll leave soon, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, babe.
Yes, everything will be fine because I've recorded everything. Like, from beginning to the end. I've recorded it.
Otoma, delete that video now! Delete it! I said delete it!
Delete what? If you are strong enough, come and delete it.
I said delete that video now! This way. Delete that video!
Good morning, sir.
Frank,
Sir.
what are you doing here and who did you leave my side for?
I am sorry, sir. I have bad news.
What do you mean you have bad news? Speak, what is it?
Sir, we were robbed last night and the thieves made away with the generator, the wires and other building materials. I'm sorry about that, sir.
Come. How is that even possible?
Sir, the securities were drunk last night. Or even drunk because they did not wake up till this morning, sir. I am really surprised about the whole situation. I'm really sorry, sir.
You mean all the stuff in my sight are gone? Is that what you're saying, Frank?
Sir, are you okay, sir?
Baby, please.
Please, I'm in the mood now.
Baby, we need to talk.
Talk about what?
You said that we were going to leave after you take the money and other stuffs. What's going on?
Babe, you need to calm down now. I'm working on this. I just need some more time. Babe, I'm in the mood now.
Baby, please. You know I'm pregnant. I don't want this pregnancy to come out before our wedding. We need to leave as soon as possible. Baby, why are you taking this thing very unserious?
Listen, babe. Why are you treating me like this? I'm working on this and soon we'll leave in due time. I need you. I've missed you a lot. Babe, I want.
Baby, no. We need to talk about this thing too. Stop.
We protect you with everything. Obi, guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm. Jay, I wonder my watch and you are safe.
Okay. Try this life. Okay, calm down. Yeah? Calm down. Breathe in. Out. In, out.
Thank you. I am fine.
You are not fine. You are even crying and you are saying you are fine. You are not fine. You are not fine at all. You are a human being. Yes, I know. You have your feelings. You have mood. You have emotion. And you don't need to hide anything. Normal. You're supposed to cry. Yes. See, feel free. Cry. You can cry. I'm here to wipe your tears. I'm here to console you. Please, take it easy on yourself.
Don't worry, I'm fine. It's just that I don't know why people are so wicked. The world is so cruel. I don't know why people hate me so much. I help people and make sure that everyone around me is fine. Who have I offended? Can you imagine? Just of recent, I borrowed some money from my friend to complete the project that I took as a contractor. I bought all the building materials needed. Just all of a sudden, everything was stolen. Tell me, where am I supposed to be going from here? What's my next move? I am empty as a man. I have nothing left with me.
It's okay. It's okay, sir. It's okay. Everything will be fine. You were the one that made the money before. You will still make the money. Let that one just be like, God. You don't know how God works. Maybe it's God's doing. You don't know what God has for you in the future. You still make money, you still rise. You'll be bigger than your past. Calm down.
Who's doing this to me?
Nobody's doing this. God.
Who's doing this to me?
Child. Sorry, sir.
I've not wronged anybody. Why they hurting me?
Sorry, sir. Everything will be okay. Everything will be perfect. It's okay, please. It's okay. You see. The way I'm looking at you is just doing me like I should just come and meet you. If I use this hand, I will wipe your mouth. Like, if I slap your mouth, I'll make sure that I use like twist it out of your face. You don't do finish. Like, you don't do finish. You overdo. I know why you desperately want me out of this house. I know, my sister. Evil that men do, die with them. But this time around, this one, I'm going to expose it before you die with it. First of all, let me make it clear to you that may I have searchlight in this house, and also in my OB Bobo's building construction company. Yes, I know what is going on here. Put in his room, in this parlor, everywhere around this house, and in that place. You see that happened? Hey, I know what happened though. I know who and who was involved. I just want to let you know that I have searchlight in this house, and in that my Bobo's, OB Bobo's construction company. That to tell you that I know everything that is going on in this house and in that house, in that place. My sister. You see that thing they say? Leg where they waka wara wara wara. Eyes where they waka wara wara wara. You see ya? That thing no be lie. Everything where they happen for here and his room, everywhere in this house and that place, I just see that thing happen. I know everything. I know how it take happen. I know people and people where they involved. Everything. All of them. I know. Why I'm not talking? I don't have evidence yet. I'm still gathering my information. By the time I'll be done with my you go choke, you go loud. I swear to God. I will use my evidence and wipe your bum bum. I will wipe your bum bum until your bum bum less. Trust me. Trust me when I say that.
Is somebody talking? I think I can only hear echoes. Yeah. Who is echoing?
Hello.
Is somebody echoing?
If I echo, madam.
Because the person echoing cannot even see herself.
No, the fire echo that this place look empty to you.
You've spoken a lot. You've spoken a lot. I don't have your time today. And I'm not ready for you. All this while you've been talking and ranting and been throwing tantrums and I've been responding to you, I just realized that I'm being so low, stooping low to your level to respond to you, and I've decided that I will not respond to you anymore. But trust me, the day that I will mean you, the day I am ready to deal with you, just like this, you will vanish from the surface of this earth. And nobody will question me. Nobody will find you. I am warning you. Be careful with me. Be careful with me.
Ataka. You say you are stupid solo to talk to me. Mugu. Well, you don't know you are a mugu. You are stupid solo. Me and you now know. Stand up now. How many inches far away? You are saying you are stupid solo. You are already low now. As low as nothing. Do you understand? So say two people that are shouting. If you are shouting with a mad person, you are equally a mad person. So me and you, we are low together. Do you understand? Me and you don't already stoop so low and we're talking to ourselves like mad people already. Do you understand? Then again, you say you don't have my time, Abby? And the day you have my time, let me see between them and talking to you.
How dare you touch my phone?
Eh? You know the difference between me and you? I can touch you, you cannot touch me. If you touch me, you die. Try it. Try it now, let me destroy this your eyes. Try it.
Yes, hold on. Who is there? Hold on.
Good day, ma.
Good afternoon. Who are you looking for?
I'm here to see Otonwa. I hear she lives in this big house now.
Who are you to her?
Well, I'm a friend for a very long time, but we lost contact and we've not spoken for a very long time.
Wow.
Yes.
That is good to hear.
Thank you.
You know what? I am going to have your contact, eh? So put your contact here.
Okay. Take, ma. Take it. And please help me give this to her.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
You can go.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Take care of yourself, eh?
Okay,
have a nice day.
Yes,
bye.
I am just telling you now, come and carry your useless daughter out of my house. Come and carry her before, and I will make sure you spend the rest of your poor life in prison.
I'm off your chineke brono. Eh? If you don't leave this my house, I will beat you. I can see that you are actively looking for charity syndrome. You then look for charity syndrome. If I give you, my person don't beg me, because I don't go agree. Carry your useless self. And this year I've come from where I know say na Abu Fulam. Come on for here.
They come close to me.
Yeah?
If you come close to me, I will make sure I kill you here. And nobody will do anything about it. And I'm serious.
Kill you, you should use the energy. See this energy where you take the yak your mouth here. Use them now. Use them. Look for the native doctor where do this medicine where no they work for you. Yes. You see this energy where you take, they fight my child. Use and go do something about yourself. Because upon all the things where you do, where make men, they love you. Even like say then they use you. You know, she said the usual they work. You know they work now. So carry and come out for here. Carry your frustration. Come out for my house. Not be me do you waiting they do you.
Look at who is talking about juju. You think I don't know that you and your daughter have been using juju on my man? You think I don't know? I know. I am just waiting for the day that juju will expire. And I will make sure I disgrace both of you.
You they see wait.
Yes.
Your own no go expire. Yes, because the man will do your own. Unknown gunmen don't kill and sense. Yes. So it be like say, as far as you are concerned, now consequential you go be for life. Nobody go marry you keep for your house. Yes!
Just be careful, don't insult me.
Osman, I mean, carry this your body come out for here. See you. Now you them.
Yes, that's what you are.
You go and go to my house or you don't want to mad woman. Your nyash no fit keep man. You dey fight my daughter. You know the shame. I'm not here. Woo! You go down because you are small, you go there collect from one place to another till you die. And they wait for you. It's the boy you wear. Come back here again. Make I show you say now charity syndrome. Now you dey look for and I go give you back. I'm not fetching the job. I'm not playing. Oh, one more thing in the range. Only the end. I hope you are on the hand.
Oh, don't want sugar girl, no, no, no. Oh, don't want sugar, sugar. Oh, don't want no they take any nonsense. But oh, don't want a dreamer. Waiting the hungry and me, no they market. I'm a chem. Oh, don't want everywhere, chief security officer.
What are you doing here?
What is it? What is the order? Are you mad? You cannot help me up. You're asking me what am I
You're very stupid. You want me to help you up as what? You are mad. Don't you have respect?
I'm the one you're insulting, Abi. I'm the one you're insulting, Mugu. You don't have sense, or you this game. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Hey.
You know, I have your story here. You are still doing busybody. Mumu. Okpo. You don't have sense. You will never end well. You this game. They're not train you well. That's why you remain single for your life. Like nobody will want to marry an ugly girl with ugly heart. See ya.
Why do you hate me so much?
I call you street. On your face, Mugu.
Why do you always fight me?
Don't worry. Very soon, you will see your noodles online. I will make sure I upload a long movie. It's going to be a long one. Like part 1, part 2, part 3. I'm going to make it series. Noodles, Ijoma's Noodles. Ijoma's Noodles is going to be the name of the series. Trust me. Mugu. Who is this one? Why you touch me? You don't get respect. Get mad.
Why do you hate me?
Why
do you always fight me?
Snap your mouth. The thing is by drawing tattoo. Anytime you see man, your body gonna shake. You don't have control over yourself. You don't have control. Your body will be shaking. They're not showing you where. You don't get papa. If you say you get papa, you for not say something. If you go outside, then they go beat you. Blue and black. Even if your mama put 2 pets you. I can't know the 2 pets. But they go use you to
Jesus. What is all this? Who is this? Who is this small rat? This girl is a witch. You know what? I know what to do.
What are we going to do? That girl wants to ruin us with that video.
You know, I have a plan. I want to steal her phone, but I just need some time to do that.
Good. And you have to be fast about it.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I have my own way of sending her out of this house without any stress.
How do you intend doing that?
A guy came the other day looking for her, and he said they were friends. So I collected his number. With that, we can easily send her out of this house.
But are you sure the guy will help us? That is the most important thing here.
Ha! I don't want saying this. If it means paying him, we have to do that. Very simple.
You have a point. You know, how come I never thought about this?
What is this?
Hi! You were? I'm fine, Jerry.
Joma! What nonsense? Man, you called me. What nonsense did you prepare? What rubbish did you prepare? Do you want to kill us? What's this poison? Ijoma, before you kill me, I will kill you in this house. Babe!
Enough, baby. This is not the right way to handle this.
How else do you want me to handle this? How else do you want me to handle it? What is this nonsense? Can't you see what she prepared?
Ijoma.
Sir.
What happened to the food? We have never made something like this before. What changed?
Sir, the food was good when I prepared it. It wasn't like this. I don't know what happened.
Are you still talking? Are you still talking, Ichoma? What rubbish! You make poison, you prepare poison, and you open your mouth to tell me this is not how you prepared it. Do we have a taste board? Or we don't know how food tastes? Yes! Look at what you make! My friend, before I open and close my eyes, go inside, get the mop, and come and clean up this place. Rubbish! Look at her. Nonsense.
I will protect you with everything. Obi, guide you with every strength I have. Obi, guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm more.
Sir! Your agent! Your competent security is here to report for duty. Sir! Also, I am here to thank you for accepting me, for giving me this job. I appreciate. And I promise you, I am going to deliver. I'm going to do all my best to make sure this vicinity is protected. Thank you, sir. Protected.
Otonwa, how are you doing today? I hope you're good.
I'm fine, sir.
Nice. I want to thank you for caring about me. I appreciate for everything you have been doing, okay? I want you to know that you are more like a sister to me now. And I want you to feel free to do anything that you want.
Sir! Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate. Thank you, sir. Now, permission to go back to my post.
Nobody go fit to do you harm.
You are well permitted.
Thank you, sir.
Am I watching you are safe? May nobody joke with my Obi Kubana, because I know they use them.
Hello, baby. Can you hear me? Maybe I can't continue to stay here. In fact, I don't want to share that money with them anymore, please. Hold on. I just want you to come and pick me up before the week runs out, please. I am tired of everything here. Yes. Yes.
Hey, baby. How are you doing?
That's fine.
What is the problem?
Tasha is making life miserable for me. We have to change plan.
So, listen, babe. You need to calm down, babe. All our plans are still intact. And I promise you, I will deal with it after we get the money. Just relax yourself. Please. You know I don't like it when you're upset.
That reminds me. Why haven't I received my money from the last time?
Babe, that useless Tasha is with all the money. Just calm down, okay? I'll try to get our own share, please. Just relax yourself. Okay? Sure. Babe, I will sort everything out. Just relax. All our plans are still intact. Just relax yourself. Everything will be fine. Okay?
You say so.
It's okay. I don't know if you're upset, child. Yes, mine.
Mama, since you dey shine, feel like level don't change. Since you dey shine,
I suppose shine now.
you don't give me updates. What did they solve?
I suppose shine now. If you look how they work, you gonna say normal. I suppose to shine. Level don't change.
Since you just...
How about that your girlfriend one of the do shakara that time?
Yeah, forget that girl. That girl just want me to shine. So beg, she just dey beg me, they beam me. For somebody where they also for streets. Every minute just they ask me, buy me this, buy me that. I'm my tire.
Retire.
Yes,
But now they they do shakara that time. Everywhere where they go, they buy this side, they buy this and blah 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 blah.
Forget that thing, forget that thing.
I don't know for this life when I two we break up. I don't know. I just say na everlasting love.
Listen, that one don't pass. No need to make me come find you. You remember? Okay, again one day why I come here, I meet one fair girl. Yeah, she get one kind shape. I give her something she give you. You receive them.
I receive them now, but
wait. You get why I bring that thing come?
Why?
Get one of your friends they call Tina. We fair. She sharp. Get body. You know, so I like girls who get body well. I like that you're friends. I won't make you help me.
Okay, now you don't fetch from your own girlfriend, don't they enter my friend.
I don't tell you, see that girl will not dig again now.
Why you come and enter my own friend now? You want to come break our own heart? I don't understand.
I don't need girl who will stress me at this stage. You know, so the struggle. Life never better. Not be like you yet now. Things still hard for me.
You want understanding girlfriend?
Yes, now. Girl will not go stress me now.
I don't do. I don't go tell my friend anything. She don't do. You want me to look like Aringo so? You don't go take care of her because you want to understanding girlfriend.
I don't take care of her shoe. Why they talk like this now? You want to insult me?
This life, now not be where you go to follow people where they come do understanding boyfriend and don't understand. If you don't feel pay for girl, leave her. Nobody they do understanding girlfriend now. I beg. Nobody want to suffer. I beg.
Help me, Abi. No go help me.
I'll think about. I will help you on one condition. Good one.
What you don't understand again? Which kind of condition you want give me?
Get what I want make you help me run.
What I want come help you do again?
Never ready.
I like no now. You want push me for gutter?
You go say yes or no. If you talk yes now, I go help you run your own matter. You go help me run my matter, but you no go help me.
Okay, I will help you. I will help you. What's it? Tell me. What's it?
You go help me.
I will help you. No.
You go help me. Now you say I talk about.
Now me talk and I go do am.
No, I go help you too. But I go talk for you for phone. Not what you go talk for here now.
So we no fit talk for you like this.
I say I go call you now. Phone matter no be face to face matter.
Okay. I beg. Let me put it.
I the gift I go to give me oh. I'm not going to talk.
That first one on your own now. Give this one to Tina.
That one on my own.
Yeah, that one on your own.
I'll call you this night. I go tell you.
This night? Make her expect your call. Paddy?
You go do I go.
I go do one. Go get one.
Don't want sugar girl.
I told you this was not a good idea. But this thing in between your legs, we always control you. Just look at where you've landed us. Just look at what you've caused.
Please, calm down, please. Calm down. This is not the time to blame anybody,
Don't even tell me that.
We need to find a lasting solution to this issue. We need to make sure the boss does not hear this, else everything we have been working for will be gone. We are finished.
Did you hear? Hold it there. Did I hear you say us? There is no us here. You brought it upon yourself. Did you hear me? And you have to fix it. In fact, I am tired. I am exhausted. Just no, please. Just let me be for now.
But what about the guy you talked about?
The guy?
Yeah.
I called him and he said he was going to call me back. But enough, not heard from him. But that is not important. You have to fix this mess you brought upon yourself. It is very important and you have to do that. Did you hear me?
I will try my best, okay? Just calm down, okay? Agitating like this will not solve this issue. We'll do something about this situation.
You better do, please.
Guess what, baby? I have all the money in my car.
It's a lie.
Yes, baby. All the money. Babe, I told Tasha that I will not be able to give her money for now. That find buyers are difficult. That she should give me some more time. And she agreed to that.
This is why I love you. You're very smart. You're intelligent. You're everything.
I love you too, baby. So much. You know, I can't wait to enjoy beautiful moments with you.
Okay. So when are we leave?
Baby, we'll leave soon, okay? But I still need some more time to get more money. Oh, just relax yourself. I know you want to leave.
Baby, leave me alone. This money is enough. It's enough for us to go. I don't want anything to happen.
Babe, nothing will happen to me. Do you trust me?
I trust you, but I'm scared. I don't want anything to go wrong.
I know you're scared, my love, okay? I promise you I will sort everything out in due time and we'll leave. Come to baby now.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
So, let's cheers to on you.
You will leave very soon.
So, my
Promise.
love, I promise you.
Hi, darling. You're back? I've been waiting for you in the room. I have something very important I want to show you.
Tasha,
Yes.
I think I need some time.
Some time from work or what?
From this relationship. I need some time to put my thoughts together. Then we can decide if this is going to be or not.
Obiora, why are you saying this to me? What is it? What happened? After all we've been through? Come on now. Wait. Don't tell me you're seeing another woman. Have you been cheating on me with another woman? Not again. You cheating again, Obiora?
Ah, there it is. You lack understanding. Tasha, you're very inconsiderate. You don't even care about me, how I feel. All you do is constantly referring to my past mistakes.
Your past mistake shaped me. Your past mistake damaged me. I am living like this because of your past mistakes. Come on. I am going nowhere. After all I have invested in this relationship, you want to break up with me? It's not possible. Let me tell you, I'm going nowhere. We die here. Me and you, we die in this relationship. You go nowhere, I go nowhere. Nothing. Take it or leave it. Break up. Come on, break up, let me see. You think it's possible that you just carry a hit on the ground, and you break it.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me, oh. Try, guide you with every strength I have.
Miss you too, you know that. Yes. Don't worry. Immediately I'm done taking care of my mom. You know, I'm the only one taking care of her. And she's sick in the hospital and all that. Yeah. I love you. See, I promise I'm going to make it up to you. Yes. I know there's this rush in your eye. So, when I get back, I'm going to bring her over to you. We will have 3 sons. Yes. 3 sons.
Cut down. Check out. What 3 sons? Did you hear that? She said we're going to have 3 sons.
Have you been listening to me? Were you listening to my conversation?
Sorry. I was recording everything for evidence.
Why would you record me? For what?
Because I want to have enough evidence.
Say, Otuma, can you please delete that video?
Delete what? I've already sent it to my mother's cell for backup.
I said you should delete it before I delete you.
If I delete this, how will you delete my mother's phone?
Otuma, okay, please. I am begging you in the name of God. Can we just talk?
Send it to my mother's cell.
Delete that video before I delete you.
If you delete my own, you will not delete my mother's
Otuma.
phone. If you delete my own, you will not delete my mother's phone.
I'm not playing with you. Otuma, no.
Leave my own. But I said now. Delete it.
Delete that video.
Guys, we have no other option than to eliminate her.
Please count me. You guys should count me out. Like I said before, I can't have someone's blood on my hands. Never. Ejima, just shut up. Shut up! That thing is about to ruin everything we have worked for. Don't you get it? No, we won't let her do it. Never. But we have enough money. Let's leave before it's too late. What is all this? Eh? I am not done yet. I am not leaving this place until I make Obiora penniless. Yes.
It's obvious we will do this without involving Ijoma.
We are in this together. We will do it together. Yes. No going back. No going back. We are involved and we'll do it together. Alright?
Guys, what do we do now?
We will eliminate her before she gets those recordings to Obiora. Never. Because I will not let her win.
Exactly. I'm in full support.
Never. Please, like I said before, let's leave. Now that we can, let's just leave this place.
One more word from you, Ijoma. I am going to teach you or show you the beasts Obiora made. Did you get that?
It's okay, guys. Yes. Ijoma, you need to stop being a scarecrow, okay? We will do it. We will do what we're supposed to do.
So, people think that I'm a small person. She don't know anything. You are forgetting that my brain is bigger, like way bigger than that of both of you. You don't know. That is why you want to bribe me with this meat. I can even count it. Look. It's clear. I can count. You don't want to bribe me with this nonsense small thing with juice. As long as truth now, Abby.
No. Utonwa, you only want to ask for your forgiveness. And also ask for your friendship, that's all.
Which friendship? Okay, because you have seen the future. Because you have seen that very soon I will take over. I will be in charge of everything. That's why you want to ask for forgiveness. It's too late. Very, very late.
Like she said, we're here to ask for your forgiveness.
Yes.
Let's just start afresh now. You know we love you so much.
Yeah.
So you want to start afresh?
Yes.
As new leaf.
Yes.
As fresh leaf.
Yes.
Mukus. You are very mad. Two of you are very crazy. Say, we are stupid. We are mad. Hey, Ati, talk. We are mad.
We are mad.
You, both of you are saying that if I join you. Say, you both of you, we are mad. You.
Both of you are mad.
I'm not ready now. I'm not ready. If you are ready, come on, carry all this thing. Take my phone, say, both of you, we are mad.
Both of you, we are mad. You are mad. You are mad.
Good. Confusion. Both of you, you are mad. You sound, you are mad. Mad people. Look at them. Act like also. Now, I already know what you want. And now, the only good thing here is both of you should just ask me what I want. Else, I will do the needful.
Okay, fine. What do you want?
Good. What I want is that every day, in fact, every time you people see me, I want both of you to bow and greet me.
Eh?
That's number one. Number two, I don't want to always do for my food. You always make me food with assorted meat. What did I say? Assorted meat. And don't allow me to come and remind you of my food or ask you for my food. Do you understand? Then over to you, Frank. Every blessed, like every day, you have to buy me chilled soap, water and gari, make it for a wedding day, and I'll be invited. Which one is what? Yes, if you are not interested, you leave it out. I'm not forcing anybody. Though. I'm not a beggar. It's not like I cannot afford it for myself.
It's fine. So, after then, we can become friends, right?
Are you mad? No. Do I look like your level? Do I look like your class? You don't know your mates. You cannot identify your class when you see them. Go. Take care. Be careful. Be careful. Let's maintain the energy. Yes. I don't want. Okay, we'll carry on this thing. No. Maintain the energy. I beg. E for energy, aura for aura. Please. Come and serve this drink fast. Check your finger. Let me see your fingers, everybody. So that you know can put for you.
Listen, Uchi.
If you know you can't do that job, better return my money now. Okay?
How much do you think that is making you raise your voice? Asking me to hurt my very good friend Otonwa. That girl is like a sister to me. I can't hurt her. We've come a very long way. And moreover, there are things she's doing for me right now. I don't want to ruin that, please.
Then why did you take the money from me when you know you can't deliver the job? Why?
Nah, forget this thing. No, sir, I'm a street boy now. I need money to sort one or two things now. I be guy man now. Okay, so what's going to happen here? Give me some time. Make I hustle your money, pay you back.
Listen, Uche, if you don't deliver this job, I promise you, I will come for you and your sister. And I promise you won't contend me.
You come for my sister?
Yeah, I promise you.
You won't even dare.
You know how dangerous I can be, right? She won't be able to contend me when I come for you. I promise you.
You won't do anything. Better come on for here, this boy.
Give you 24 hours to do that job. Return my money to me. Else, you won't like me.
Can't do anything. 24 hours. And please come.
Otonwa sugar girl, na. Otonwa sugar. Cheche, Otonwa no dey take any nonsense.
Why you can't stay outside so long? Can't keep this fine bobo for this place. You're not good now, eh? See bobo where you go see, you go know say this one then train and wear. This one they very responsible. Eh? The kind bobo where person supposed they proud of. You can't keep am for here. You not good now. See as you they do now. Eh? You can't come out, so can't stay long. Person will can't think say I no train you well. No matter how. Okay, see me.
Bros, what did they do here? Alpha, what did they stop? Why you carry my matter into my house? Eh? For ordinary small promise, what I promise you now. You don't make the matter long. I don't understand. I think that one.
Utowa, what impression are you giving your mother? Why are you making her look at me like a bad person? For someone like me and you get, you just make her see say I be bad person.
What impression are you giving her to now? As she don't come now, make she feel as how. What do you want me she think now? Alignment when me and you get like we talk.
Because una don't lose me for here now. Wetin dey happen? Which kind of alignment? Wetin dey talk?
As you don't bring the alignment now inside, make a cook my cash too. Nah, small promise what I promise this boy you. Now he meet me, he carry gift come meet me. Say make I help him rugged out with my girl, my friend, Tina. Make I link two of them together. I say no wahala, I go do am. Now you don't carry my matter into my house now. What do you want me she dey feel?
Hey! Yeah, okay. So not be my daughter you find coming. Eh? You can't get liver. Wakakurukere enter this house. I give you seat, you agree. Sit down. Carry your nyash plaster for there. Can't waste all my prayers while they pray inside. And all the praises while they praise you. Think say, now later you go enter house with me. Can't they pray? Better prayer for you inside. Because I think say, you be my future son-in-law. Eh? Small thing. Small shikini thing. I for go inside, go bring out wine. Why they save since 19 can't give you. And as you don't look me with that, I know say you go drink them. Now that time God for punish you.
But why you dey even tell her this the way you tell her? For me, I don't understand. You want to tell me behind my back? For you want to tell me? I don't understand. Me and you not tell me I get my own targets. I get my own future. I get person who they look up to. Don't be making me to be looking down on somebody.
Hey.
Don't do it. I don't like it. I have somebody that have hope.
The one way they pay me, be say as I dey talk, instant. They look me.
You don't do your own.
If I come out my slippers now, where ya? I see. I summer slippers for visitor. I'm not fetching a bro. My best daughter moto neighbor.
Mama, let's leave that one and face me. Make I face you. I don't like this kind of thing, Mama. I don't like Camo. No, they do this kind of thing.
My friend, go and sit down. Are you better than me? You better pass out. See, it's the problem where you dey get now this one where I give you. Then make you dey hang yourself where you no reach.
I don't know why God will carry me and come to this world without my consent. Now, another problem now, you know that you carry me to this world without my consent. You now gave me to somebody that I don't even like. You never ask me the kind of person I want as a mother. Now you are giving me the person now. The person is insulting me anyhow.
Then I know him now manage. Yeah? Just look at the goal that manage. You don't know that I'm managing you.
You're seeing it.
Yeah?
Somebody you preciously put me into a
My problem is that you are very wicked. You came out to tear shoes and that was like a mother. I'm off ya. Go. I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming you. Yes, every mother's dream. Now make her picking. Man, come on.
You where is your husband?
Now you block him. Now you block him.
Where is he?
Nobody dream marry me with you. They say unless I throw away you, they go marry me. But because I be better person, I no agree to away.
I make her come on. Now make her go find my own alone.
You know I know you are very ungrateful. Very ungrateful. Ungrateful. Now what do you? I don't. You get guts. Me, I don't guts. I don't blame you.
No, I'm very sure you'll be wondering why I am here. It's not as if I'm happy being here. Just that, condition. Condition has finished bending all the crayfish in my life. Who is in careful? Nenum.
What is the problem?
Hey! Everything is the problem. Everything is the problem. It is now that I have realized that Utonwa is the heart of my business. My business has collapsed. Since I allowed her to come and work for you, everyone's in business. Because all the customers that have been coming to buy akara because of her suddenly stopped coming. Business mother. That is why I decided to come. So that you can give me some money, loan, or for free. Loan me some money so that I can start another business and leave her for you. Oh?
So what you're saying is that you need some money?
Wow! Any dream ego. But like I said, not free. Loan. And if for any reason you are thinking maybe I will run away with your money, or I will abscond, or I will disappear with your money, Utonwa is there. I will leave her for you. At least she will now serve as collateral. No,
I'm not agreeing to that.
Ha! You have a choice. You have to agree, oh. You have to agree. Because indirectly, you are the reason my business failed. You are the reason my business failed. After all, Utonwa has been doing her best for you. Forget the fact that she's small. Forget about her size. Her good work is speaking volumes for her. Utonwa is the reason you go out every day and hustle like a young man and come back without any fear. Yes, because you know that somebody is at home taking care of your properties. Utonwa is the reason you stay in your house balanced, where cheery, and you feel good and secure. Utonwa is the reason you sleep at night with your two eyes closed. A lot of people sleep with one eye, and then allow with two because of my daughter. What are you saying? So you have a choice. So you have to give me this money.
Like how much are we talking about here?
Ihe deka 1.5.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me. Guide you with every strength.
I don't like this decision you are about to make. Yes. Why would you want to give that woman such huge amount of money? For what? She doesn't deserve it. And me, I'm not in support of that decision. And that's final.
Oh, really? I see. And who are you again to dictate for me how to spend my money?
Why would you say that to me? Are you asking me who am I to you? I am your girlfriend, your fiancée for that matter. So I have the right to tell you what to do and what not to do.
My darling, that boat have capsized long time ago. So you no longer have right to tell me what to do again.
You really don't know whom you're dealing with. It is a pity that you keep underestimating me. That is so bad for you. Because I will fuck you up.
Food. What is this?
Put it in her food.
What is this? Please, I can't. You know I can't stain my hands with someone's blood. Why will you ask me to add this to her food?
What do you mean? This will only make her sleep so we can video her and use it to blackmail her, that's all. Who told you that I want to kill somebody? Huh?
Are you sure?
What is wrong with you now, eh? So you don't trust me? You know I can't lie to you now. We need to make that video of her while she is sleeping, and this is the only way we can do that. Yes, now.
Okay.
So put it
just that I don't want to stain my hands with anyone's blood.
Are you trying now to call me a serial killer? Or what? I say put this thing inside. We need this thing so we can video her while she's sleeping and blackmail her. As simple as that. So you are trying to call me a serial killer.
Are you mad?
Huh?
So you cannot greet me. Yeah. Come on, greet.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please, can you have your food?
Open it.
I should open it. You can have
Bring it out. Why one meat? Like, what insolence? What temerity? This is so absurd. This is anyhowness. This is demeaning. I mean, this is unacceptable to me, my brand, what I'm representing. Like, what the heck? What the really heck?
Well, this is the only meat we have for now.
So, what is my business? You go and buy meat out there. Don't serve me this shit. Nigga, don't serve me this shit. What is my business with you? If you don't have enough meat, go and buy meat and give me. Don't give me this kind of nonsense food. I'm not begging food.
Please, you have to manage it. I'll make it up to you
Manage
some other
what?
time. Manage it.
Do I look like I need it to you? No. Do I look like I'm begging food? Do I look like somebody that is in need, like desperately in need of food? I don't need your food to survive. If you want to give me food, go and make sure that you see. I know that you're looking down with me. Look at where my left is. You cannot even attain to this level. Not to talk of coming here. My sister, remove that food to my... Come on, carry it out of my face now. I will kick it up. Come on, carry it.
It's fine. I'll go and look for another meat. Okay? Are you okay now?
Ooh, come back here. Pick this. Come back here, pick it. You have to pick it. Come here. Pick it.
Okay, is it?
Where's my phone?
It's okay.
Pick it.
I will pick it.
Pick it. No. You walk majestically. You don't walk anyhow. This is how you're not married. You're looking for a wood to eat and you're waiting for your husband.
Do this job. I will do it myself. Can you imagine what that brat is asking for? Blackmailing me.
I suggest we should go.
Ijoma, not now, please.
We go nowhere. Not until I am satisfied. Yes. That brat. Hey.
What if I may ask? What's her demand?
That I should make Obiora to employ her as the cook and make Ijoma mind the gate. And not just that, that I should leave this house for a whole 2 months.
What?
Yes!
She's crazy.
Yes. Fantastic. Yes. Let's make her mad. My suggestion.
No way. I didn't say we should make her mad. I only say she's crazy for making such demand. Please, we can't make her mad.
What is wrong in making her mad? If you say somebody is crazy, then let's make her crazier. Yes!
Don't count me out.
No, don't worry. I have somebody to do that job. Yes. You don't need to bother. I promise.
Ijoma, we are not killing her, okay? We are only making her mad. I told you before, no bloodshed. Just calm down, please.
No way. Killing her or making her mad, they are all the same.
Ijoma, please allow me to make this call. Thank you.
Otomo, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be here. Who invited you?
Any evil gathering I came into, everywhere was scattered.
Why are you here? Is this your duty post?
Hey.
Can you please just go out?
Hey. You know me and you, we have normal, natural hatred for ourselves. I can easily cripple you here, Shebi you know. Shebi you know, right? So mind the way you talk to me, please. Face your front. I'm not here for you.
Tom, please. What do you want?
Yes.
What I want.
Yes.
What do I want? You want to know what I want? I want to relax. I want to chill. I want to AC. I don't tire. Look I collect AC small. You know go bad now. I need to go back.
Does this place look like where you should have AC? Don't you know your duty post? My friend, will you live here?
No, hello. Me, I don't like trouble, Sha. Let me be going. Since people want me to go, I can't go. No. You know that me, you know the consequences. You know that me, I don't like wahala. Let me just be going, okay? Let me just
No. Don't want to sit down.
I wanted to just relax so that she will go to the gate for the day. But since you don't want.
Sit down. You know what? There's no need for all this, please. Let her relax. At least enjoy this house for once. Let her enjoy the AC. And I can even cook for her. Please. Yes.
I have to be going now. I don't want to stay again.
Please don't go.
No, I don't like when I'm making people feel uncomfortable. I don't want to make people uncomfortable. No, let me just go, okay? Let me go. Voila, I will just stay. Me, I'm innocent, Shao. I'm very much innocent, you understand? I'm not asking. If everybody in this world should be as innocent as I am, everywhere will be cool.
It's okay.
Please, just relax yourself, okay?
Yes.
Please.
I'll sit. But if you get me food, it's not bad.
I will give you food.
What are you doing here? Leave me. You're not taking my calls. Where's my money?
Which money? Are you mad? Eh? Guy, you need to leave here immediately now.
I'm here to collect all my money. The money I spent to Tora, you collected from me.
You mad? What money are you talking about? My friend, you have to leave here now.
Is that how you want it? I will tell my sister everything you've done. You gonna say I'm a street boy.
Guys, calm down now. Calm down. She might even hear you. See, don't worry. Just go. I will take your calls, okay? We will talk about this better. Just leave, please. Why you there for your hand like this now?
Don't call me. You see what I will do to you?
I will call you later, please. Leave.
What is it again? Eh? What is it?
Look at where you are. You are eating. Abi? You are comfortably eating. I'm just coming from your room. And your room is so terrible. Like, the smell. Hey! Jesus. People have turned this house upside down. Like, you and that your partner. People have literally turned this house upside down. But the smell, the everything. Ah! Jesus Christ.
Tom, please, I don't have time for this your nonsense. Please allow me to eat my food in peace. Leave me alone.
I shall allow you to eat your food in peace. Why I came, I just wanted to let you know that as people are doing, anything you do finish, I beg, help me to wash that bed sheet. So that people will not kill us here. Wash the bed sheet properly, clean everywhere, sweep everywhere. Don't be letting us know that you did something, I beg. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, don't be choking us in this house. Please. How can both of you be making this house unholy and you are comfortable with it?
Utoma, leave me alone. Utoma, leave me alone. I don't know what you are talking about.
You will not know what I'm talking about. No, you will not know. You will never know.
Otongwa sugar, sugar. Cheche, Otongwa no they take any nonsense. But Otongwa na dreamer. Waiting the hungry and me no they market. Che, I mechem, Otongwa batago.
What's going on here? Otongwa, are you doing in the kitchen? Why are you not at your duty post?
Welcome, sir. Come on, tell me, the food is ready.
You still have not answered my question. What are you doing in the kitchen and why is Ijoma in there? At the gate?
Boss, Ijoma told her to come stay inside while she takes care of the kid.
Otongwa, are you tired of your job?
No. Why would I be tired when I'm working in my Destiny Ipad's house? I cannot be tired, sir.
Go to your duty post, okay? I'm sorry, boss. I said, it's that thing fast.
Shut up, your man. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
It's that thing fast.
Wait, what are you doing with knife?
Sir, please, can I speak to you about something?
No. Sure, fine, you can talk to me. What is it? I hope everything is alright.
Sir,
say, what is it?
Sir,
Good day, sir. They called already. Can we leave now?
Wait for me outside. I need to finish with our Ijoma here. Okay? I'll join you soon.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
So, Ijoma, what is it that you want to talk to me about that you can't say? Why are you shivering?
Sir, I'm not shivering. Sir, it's nothing. Let's leave it some other time. Let me allow you to do what you are doing, please.
Some other time? Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Very sure, sir.
Okay then. This is strange.
Let me go. Let me go to somewhere they will value me and not to sell me.
I don't understand. This collateral that you're just hammering sense. I did not use you as collateral. Eh? You know that since you left, my Accra business collapsed. How do you want me to be paying rent here and other bills? Eh? You know your organ likes you and respects you. So I only told him to give me the money, that you are still there. At least, you know, you have rest of mind that I will not run away with his money. Eh? I don't understand that you a thing that I will use as collateral. You that I love so much. Collateral.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Somebody like you now, if you see where you use me for ritual, you will use me and make money. You will use me and cash out.
Go and sit down. Which cash out? Which cash out are you talking about? Eh? I'm asking you. You think you can vomit counter? Go and sit down.
I don't understand. Like, are you not the one that was trying to convince me? Nah. Why? How do you even want me to believe you? This minute, you will change it for me. Next minute, you will start begging me. What do you want me to believe now?
Don't come to my house and be raising your voice. Is something wrong with you?
For you to even tell me that I cannot vomit counterfeit, that means you have tried using me for ritual and it did not work. Yes, nah. I have strong head.
Who gave you the head?
Strong
Who
head.
gave you his head? everything that I'm doing is for your own good. I don't know why you have refused to see it. What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Actually, no, I'll talk and turn on again. Also, I want to use it to cash out. Don't go on. With easy.
I want to
go. Hey, go. In fact, go before you pass me way. Go. Me jiri way. Go.
Not like somebody. Not like I don't want to go. Not like I don't want to go. It's not like I don't want to have BP because of me.
Baby, oh, Mamo. Eh? This was how I used to behave when I was at your age. Go back up. Let me give you the I need a boy I can dance. Eh? Get on special for you.
Tasha, when are you leaving?
Obio, I told you I'm not leaving. I'm not going nowhere. Yes?
There is nothing here for you anymore. I borrowed money to complete my project. Listen, just leave. We can still be good friends.
I am not after your money, Obio. I don't need your money for anything. It's you that I want. Don't you get it?
Then, I need a break.
I am not giving you a break. And you know that. The last time I gave you a break, what happened? I caught you with another woman in our bed. So never.
There we go again. There we go again. Must you keep referring to my past? That was in my past. Can you just leave and give me some time to think, to gather myself, to gather my life together?
Like I said earlier, I am not going anywhere. Period.
Where is he?
He left in anger.
So what do we do now?
He said he borrowed money to complete the project. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. I want everything gone. I don't want him to ever complete that project.
Why?
You will set that building on fire. Yes, including the materials. Everything burned down to ashes.
What? That is absurd. Why would I do something like that?
Because I want to wreck him. I want him to feed from hands to mouth. I want him to beg for mercy. Yes.
I'm sorry, Tasha, this is not making sense at all. Stealing from him to enrich ourselves is fine, but not to waste. It's not making any sense now.
Who are you working for? Me or Obiora?
Tasha, I'm working for you, but I'm not a foolish person, okay?
That means you have to do what I want you to do.
But I know what is right and wrong. Why waste it? For what? What's the benefit? What do we gain from this?
I still cannot believe what I had today. I cannot still believe that these people have been the one behind all these things happening to my Obi Bobo, my destiny helper. That's been the one. Stealing from him, frustrating him, making him feel bad. Every bad thing that is happening to him, that one.
Mana. What are you planning to do? And don't tell me you are planning to go and confront them. Don't try it at all. You see how desperate they are? If you try it, they will kill you. They will go.
I'm not going. I'm not going to confront because somebody will let me better slap. See, what me I'm going to do like this now, I'll just show my uncle that video. I'll show him, but before I'll show him, I'll just gather more evidence. Because if I show him like this, like to bring up more issues, And now I don't have enough evidence to prove what I saw or what I heard.
No, let me do it. But whatever you are doing, be fast. If you don't do fast, they will burn down the house. And you know how much we are talking about here. Millions, so.
Millions.
Millions, so.
Money that in my next 10 years I cannot even make. But don't worry. Let me just be going here so that we can gather more information. No, those what I've been sending to you. We are holding it very well.
Hey. They are very safe for Central Bank. Very safe.
Back it up, so that if any mistake, you.
Marie, be careful. What? Be careful. Let me also know what I will do for my own head. Yes!
Well, I don't know when they will just come now, steal my phone, use my face, unlock it, do what I don't know.
Don't worry about that one. Be careful.
Let go of my gun. Let go of my gun.
Everywhere, chief security.
I don't know why she's allowing her emotions to destroy everything we've worked for.
Maybe you should eliminate that girl.
What? Babe, that's not a good idea.
Are we still talking about the idea that is good or bad? Baby, we don't have an option. This is the only thing we have to do. Eliminate that. I don't want her to spoil things for us.
Babe, eliminating her is not a good idea. I think we need to find a way to sort this out.
Baby, you're a man. If you want to eliminate somebody today, you will do it. Baby, find a way and do this thing. If you don't eliminate her, she will come after you. And by that time, you don't know me, I don't know you.
Babe, just get ready, okay? We'll be leaving soon. Just get ready.
When?
Just get ready, okay? I will sort everything out and we'll be leaving soon.
Look at him. Not now only God know the evil way you dey here dey plan. Because now the only thing where you sabi to plan evil. Anyway, this is why I want to tell you now, on a normal day, I'm not even supposed to talk to you or tell you anything. Because you be my enemy and you be my daughter enemy. If not for one thing, I no go tell you. But make I just tell you, I'm not be my church mind, I take the tell you, make you just know. See, I see you for my dream last night. Why you bother me be saying anything what I see for my dream, they happen. Because my grandfather, my great-grandfather, even the one who follow uncle, all of them are from lineage of traditionalists and medicine men. So I see you for my dream where you dey waka. They waka as usual. Naga, hang your shoulder like a hanging fan. Naga, masquerade, big masquerade though. They come. Everybody they want you. Come off for road as usual. You were on time. Rubber. But you see, everybody they want you. Come off for road. You know. Even the moment they look you, make you get sense. Come off for road. You know agree. As that moment reach you, they masquerade. Immediately you reach where you dey. He flog sugar come off for your body. You see that moment? He flog albino come off for your eye. Yes. Now your portion. Now your portion. The next thing, when you come finally borrow person ear, come listen. As you are run, you fall enter inside the hole, and for inside that hole, now you die. God forbid. Now you go die. You don't die finish. Death is your portion. You are a dead man walking, but you never know. Anyway, I say make I tell you because you no get sense. If you go here, make you hear. If you no go here, make you carry your ear, fall inside the hole.
I respect you. I'm just respecting you. Old woman.
Yes, I respect you. You respect you. Anyway, it is for you to think about your life. Your useless life. Think and well. If not, the queen will long.
Madam, I'm respecting you. Before they go say I don't beat old woman. I'm respecting you.
Before they say you beat old woman, she shall never be like
Nobody go fit do you harm. Jay, I wonder my watching you are safe. May nobody joke with my Obi Kubana, because I know they use them.
Otonwa, is anything the matter?
Yes, sir. I've been noticing your mood these days. It seems something is bothering you. Are you okay?
Do you care about me that much to have noticed that I haven't been in my state of mind for a while now?
Normally, you be a better person, you be a good man. See, anytime you're happy, me, I'm happy. Anytime you're sad, I'm sad. And it's because I have not been happy for the... I've not been happy for a while now. So, me, it's affecting my own happiness. That's why I want to know how far. What's going on?
There's no problem, I'm fine. Thanks for checking up. I really do appreciate it.
It's a lie, I'm not fine. I'm busy because of the project you're running.
I'm okay. You don't have to worry yourself about anything.
If it's the project now, it's not better to just pause at the moment. Then travel out. When you travel, come back and cannot start. By then, your mind will be calm. For now, just travel. Travel, leave the project, travel. Make project not go take your life because the... Sorry, but...
But don't worry, I'm fine. I just said I'm fine.
Okay. Wow. Do you want anything now? So that I can just help you?
Will you leave this house before I send you to your early grave? I am not afraid of that which kills the flesh. I am only afraid of that which kills the soul. We see you. We see what you are doing. We see what you did. And we are here to warn you about the danger that looms. We smell death. Your death. His death. And her death. What is the meaning of what you're saying? Please just leave my house right now. Leave. Thievery. Lie. Jealousy. Envy. Ingratitude. Yet, you are not satisfied. Let me warn you. Your next step will lead you to your early grave. And they asked me to warn you. Can you leave now? Just leave. Leave. Now let me say it in clear terms, since that is what you want. You have been stealing from Obiora. You want to destroy him. And now you want to burn down everything. They asked me to tell you that if you do not leave this house this minute, you will live in a coffin. I'm not leaving. You should leave. Okay? I have delivered the message that they asked me to send to you. They want you to return everything you stole from Obiora, or you will die. Just leave. Just leave. Leave. I am going crazy. I am going crazy. How did she get to know about this? Who told her? What is going on? I don't care how she got to know. We have to give her whatever she's asking for. Because I don't want to die. Never. Never, I say. I'd rather die.
Guys, I am so scared. I don't like what is happening. I knew that woman was evil, but I never expected this from her. We need to act fast immediately and leave this place before it's too late. I don't want to die. Please.
Nobody is dying. None of us is going to die. Please. Listen, woman, and listen very carefully. I will no longer take orders from you. For the fact life is involved. You are no longer my boss because I don't want to die. Yes. So I am gone. Frank, how dare you speak to me in that manner? You, Ichoma, that I picked up from the dirtiest part of this planet? You that I brushed up? Is it you that I made? I made you up. And you have the guts to speak back at me, Ichoma. You dare not. You will do what I say from now on. Huh? Why you are not my God? I will no longer take orders from you. And you are no longer my boss.
Listen, guys, you have to calm down, please. We don't need all this right now. We need to find a lasting solution to this problem. We don't have time, please. Enough of all this.
You are not going anywhere. You will not step an inch from this house. Are you okay? If anything happens to you, what will I do? You that is my only child. The only child that I have. Eh? When we hear Megan Corgan,
Malime, you will not understand. See, you will not understand. Me, I'm a strong girl. I'm very, very strong. And you even told me that I started fighting from your womb. Hey. You told me that day that you gave birth to me, I kicked one little girl with my leg. Yes, I kicked her. And now you are so, you don't even trust me again. I can fight. Besides, you told me that you lived with your late grandfather throughout your life. And he used to be a traditional practitioner. So, does it mean that you don't teach all these small juju things that I can put here? Then when I shoot, everybody will die. Or if I do, everybody will die.
Look at you. I lived with my grandfather, yes. I did not tell you that my grandfather is a juju man. My grandfather was a traditional medicine man. He used to give people herbs. Yes, on a boat. He was not a wizard. So if you are looking for juju or charm or anything to go and kill somebody, my hand is not there. I don't know about that one.
I will fight this fight though. This battle is my battle and I will have to win. This battle, me, I'm seeing my future. I've seen my future. My future is staring at me. If I leave this fight, my future will leave me and run away. And I don't want that for myself.
Why are you so stubborn? Why are you so stubborn? I'm asking you. You don't hear. You don't listen to advice. I've told you before. I've told you before. You are not going anywhere. If you are talking about strategizing so that we can, meet our goal and the things that we set for ourselves, that is when you will see your mother's brain in action. I didn't want now roll the mass, till we get to the top. But if Fulangola is Webia, this angle that you're talking about, you just come out here. You understand? So if you have decided that is the route you want to take, you are on your own. No? You are on your own, Panamafa.
This fight is not for the weak. This fight is both spiritual fight and physical fight.
No. You still have a house here?
No.
Your room is still here?
No.
You know what? Osim no.
I'll go and fight. I'll make it.
Osim no. No. Come on. Yeah. Anything you want to do, you are on your own.
Nobody go fit do you harm. I wonder my watching you are safe.
So Ijoma, are you now ready to tell me what you have been meaning to say to me?
Sir, I would have liked somewhere private because the matter is very sensitive.
What are you talking about?
out somewhere private. Seriously, you are confusing me and you know it. Why can't you just be specific for once? Why? Why are you making everything difficult?
Sir, seriously, it's not easy for me. I know I'm saying this, but I have to do this.
Then make it easy.
I don't know, sir. You don't understand. Sir, I forgot that Madam asked me to tell something to her.
Is everything okay? What were you both discussing? What she was planning to tell Obio earlier today. Tell us!
What is going on? Were you planning to spill?
You people should leave me alone. No? I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, John, what were you planning to tell Obio? Tell me now, or else I'm going to kill you here, right now.
Hey, kill me! In fact, Womu, I'm tired of everything. Okay,
Frank. Frank, can you hear her?
Tasha.
Can you hear the way she's sounding? Because you have banged this girl's brain out of her head. Eh? Since the day you started banging her, you banged her brain off.
Tasha, just stop it, okay? She's my girlfriend, for Christ's sake. We'll solve this issue, please.
Wait. Frank. I thought this was just a fling. So you have added feelings to it.
Listen, Tasha. I love my girlfriend, and that's fine now. I have feelings, unlike you that don't have feelings and emotions. I love my girlfriend.
You heard it!
We'll find a way to solve this problem, not by killing anybody. Nobody's going to die. Solve this issue.
Guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm more. I wonder my watch and know you are safe. May nobody joke with my Obi, my Obi.
It's okay, babe. Stop crying, okay? Okay, stop crying. Please, just calm down, okay? Babe, stop crying. Everything will be fine. Just calm down, please. Babe, please, stop crying.
Ijoma, I have to take whatever we can and leave right away.
Wait, what about the security?
I think she's dead or unconscious, but we need to go before he gets back, please.
No way! Don't tell me you killed that innocent girl.
Not kill anybody, and nobody is innocent. Can we move?
So listen, guys, we need to confirm that she's dead. Just. Where is she?
I left her here, no?
What do you mean you left her
Where? I'm very sure I left her here.
If you left her here, then where is she?
Maybe she regained her consciousness or something.
Frank, her mother warned us to. I don't want to die, Frank. Her mother warned us.
Hey, listen, guys, we need to leave here immediately. Let's pack what we can and leave now. We don't have time for this nonsense. Leave now, please.
How far now?
What? How far with what? I didn't hurry.
Sure you did in a hurry. This period you too busy. I never see you. What did they happen? Come inside first. What's going to happen now?
What's in the app? What's with that?
What's our alignment now?
I'm not in the mood. I should see my mood like this. But no, I'm not in the mood to talk about that now. But I beg. I they go where they go. They in hurry. I I beg.
Now you don't turn our matter. When they collect bribe, they collect everything from our hand.
I don't understand. Which time they collect bribe? You see why people don't like people, help people with this? And they help you. Now you don't twist the whole story now to my own bad. Let me be the bad person now. Abi, I don't turn bad person because I don't. Oga, not be me begging for what you give me. Now you give me. I don't beg you.
But you collect them.
I collect that. I go give you gift to go reject them. And see me so allow. You give me something. I don't go help you again. No. How will I be this? I guess somewhere why they hurry now. Instead of you to ask me why is your face like this? Why are you in a hurry? What's going on? You're asking me of another talk. Which guy is not saying that one?
What's go on? Shoe. Why your face be like mess? Shoe.
Something they grand now. Something where they worry me they grand now. And you self as man where you be supposed to help me fix this thing. You see my face that are they worried? Go help me run this now. Go help you do your own. I beg.
Yeah. I go help you, no wahala. But you go still help me with my package. You know as
no man. Go help you.
No wahala.
Go, I go explain later. What's it?
Sugar.
What's going on now? Why is Frank's number not connecting? What's the meaning of this now? What am I supposed to do now? I think I should go to his house. Because I don't have this time. I really don't have this time.
What are we going to do? I don't trust Tasha.
See, listen, Ijoma, we don't have a choice right now. We just need to carry her along. It's the only option we have now.
Then let's give her up before Obiora finds us.
How do you intend doing that?
Let's lock her inside the house. Then before Obiora finds her, we must have been somewhere else.
You know what? I think you have an idea there. Just go in and pack your things, okay? I'll meet you at the visitor's room.
Sure, I'll do just that. Do that.
What is going on?
Mama,
who wants to kill her?
You know that he told me that these people are wicked. That they will kill me. Now what is happening now? They are after my life. They want to kill me now and take over everything that belongs to my Oga. They want to run away.
You know what? Have you called Mr. Obiora? Have you called him?
Call him fast.
I don't hear you down. Nothing like weapon. When we get there, anything we lay our hands on, we turn to weapon. Eh? We can choose or so we can go. Let me go.
You want to run away now, Mama? These people are evil.
Don't worry. I can go.
Oga, sir.
You allow this arrogance to deceive you. Huh? Anyways, just untie me, I will forgive you.
Don't shut that thing you call him out. This is for the pains you make me go through. Useless thing.
Frank, you allow this Alu to treat me like this?
One word from you, I'll kill you right here. I promise you.
No, babe. She doesn't want making you a killer. Please don't do this, okay? Let her be!
Ijoma, you don't even know who Frank is. Do you know why I employed him? I guess you don't. I will tell you. This guy here is a murderer.
Shut up.
He's a killer.
Shut it.
He has killed many people. And he's still going to kill. He's still the same person. He will kill you and take the money.
No! Let her be! Let her be! Please! No! Let her be!
You see?
Can we live here?
He is going to kill you, Ijoma. He will continue to be a killer. He will kill you because of money. He will take everything. Frank!
your Oga. And the police people paid you already. Where?
I don't come my Oga, but they never call police. I don't sure say police did.
You say what?
I don't sure say police did. They don't call. I don't call my Oga.
You have not called police. Hey! I don't want to die yet. I trouble you. I never want to die. What do you mean by that?
Mama now. Let's be going now.
Otonwa, no put me for wahala. He's gonna beg you. I get bright future with Tina.
I beg.
No see for wahala.
As you never call police, I beg. Make I dey go.
Ma stop now.
Make I dey go. What do you mean?
Almost reach now. Which kind go out with that now? See me, I get my own plan. As I don't call my Oga, he go call police now. See what we go do. If we reach house now, I don't want already hide my gun beside gate. If we reach, I go first of all enter. When I go stand outside, I go collect key, do my own doings inside. Then I go signal now. We go come do the rest. What's in there?
Blame boss someone. Eh? In fact, this is your plan. You go walk.
Let's go, I beg.
I know say you did too much.
What's going on here? Where are you going to go back?
Sir, I have been wanting to tell you something, but...
I said it! I knew you guys were up to something. You better start talking because the police, you're already on the way coming here.
Hey, Mr. Man. I came fully prepared.
So Frank, you have the guts to point a gun at me. Frank, for after everything that I've done for you, this is the only way that you decided to pay me back.
That's not my business. Go and ask your woman that. I am here for my money, and that's final. Move back! One step!
Please, bring it down.
Whatever thing you want.
Hand over the car keys. Now! I said now!
Frank!
Bitches! Move now! Open this gate now! So if I meet you outside, open this gate now! I said open this gate now!
Hey! Where the police? Oh, I don't want to die.
Come outside!
I don't want to die today. Oh, where the police?
I don't want to die today. Where they say now?
Who sent me to this house today? Who sent me?
So if I come outside, you won't like yourself. You hold stick, you hold gun, me I hold stone. Make we go there, go challenge them. Who the peace?
No.
Now.
Man, I know be gone though. If I will cock this for finish the process, these people go down shoot all of us down. We go rest in peace. I beg, no risk.
Where this for?
Now you be man, wait there, you know they do anything.
Hey, who sent me? Because of you.
No, you be man, mama.
Nothing there happen. Forget that thing. Nothing there happen. Hey, pianist, don't you keep quiet there. If I come outside, I will blow your head. Once again, they blow whose head?
Your head.
Bastard! Idiot, ungrateful fool! Frank, if I get you, I will kill you! Nonsense!
I can't believe that I'm living with a devil, a winch all this while. I'm still trying to gather my thoughts. I will figure you out.
Will you shut up? Shut your trap. How dare you come in here? How dare you? when you were fixing your mouth with different women. You didn't think that I would be out from that. A woman who has been with you for many years?
Wait, was this because I cheated on you?
No, it wasn't because you cheated. You broke me. You destroyed me. You damaged me. You took everything away from me.
Tasha, I begged for your forgiveness. I asked you to forgive. As a matter of fact, I'm a changed person all because of you.
You think it's that easy? It wasn't that easy. Obiora, you made me lose trust for people, for men. But I came back. Not because I love you. Because I came for revenge. I came to finish you, destroy you, damage you as well. So you can feel the pain you caused me.
Are you trying to say that Frank and Ijoma, you planted them to destroy me?
Yes, I did. Until that stupid idiot you called Gate Woman destroyed all our plans. I would have long sold this house. But unfortunately, my plans was destroyed. And I am not sorry for everything I did to you. I am not sorry.
Move them! Move!
Move! That useless house girl. I'm not saying that. Hands up! What did you Look at that!
Move!
Hey!
After take care of them.
One player! So you're a thief? One nanny! Thief!
Take them out of this place!
Move! So you're a thief? Move! See our girl? Look at them! Hey! Who are he? If it was in my days, all firing squad.
Thank you so much. Let's just go in.
Sorry, yeah.
Otonwa, I really want to appreciate you and your family for everything that you have done for me. Indeed, you have sugar in you. I can testify to that. And I promise you, I'll end up nothing but to make sure that I reward you handsomely.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. See, me, I'm happy that you are beginning to see my capability. You know that day I came, I told you that I'm very capable. I can do anything. Just trust me. Or if you were thinking I was joking, nah. Me, I'm a woman of my words. I'm very, anything I say, start. That's fine now. It's not by graga, it's by brain. You saw how I caught them, how I dealt with them. You saw it. That's me. I'm very good at that. That's my work.
My friend, shake me.
I am proud of you. Yeah? I am so proud of you. Everything sweet is you. Eh? You see, I told you that you will not get a more capable security person than my daughter. When I work here, now you have seen her work. Look at how a little David finished all the Goliaths with Moab, with all the weapons that they have. Yeah? Mama, you are too much. I knew it. The kind of cry you cried the day you came out. I suspected that day that you are going to be a great woman. Obidogo!
So, since there's no girlfriend again, no wife, and what's the next level? Like, what's our next move?
There's no next level or step here. There's no way forward for me actually for now, because at this point I'm left with no other alternative but just to recover from what I've been through. I went through hell. You could testify to that, right? So at this point now, let me just put my head together and just focus. Nothing like relationship for me for now.
This is heartbreaking. I'm heartbroken though. Okay, let me just go cry for us. This is so bad for us.
Otowa, come back. See, where are you going? We need to feast and marry. We're going nowhere. I'm sure you don't want to miss out.
Hey! Osi feast. Did you hear what he said? Feast. Forget that your broken heart. You have to first of all take care of your stomach. After that, you start talking about your heart. Very important. So, I will tell you the things that we will need to partially mend her broken heart. You want that? So,
okay, that's fine. Just tell me anything that you need or you want us to get, and I'll place the order now.
Anything? Hey, don't say anything. Oh, man, now. The first thing that we need is goat head. Very big one. All those kind of goats that when you look at their face, you know that they were wicked when they were alive. Those ones with big nose and long beard. Very important. Well garnished. Eto. Okay, yata. Four of us. Yeah? Then Owa. I got well garnished with onions. On one side. Then you wash it down now. With tombo. 25 liters. Very important.
What was tombo? Is it palm wine?
Palm wine. 25 liters. Then big fish. Very big. Big like this. Then they will now put all those things that they used to do and one see. That is it. Yeah? So let them bring that one. That one is starter. I will go do from there. Let us start from there. So by the time we start downloading those ones, we see other more. Because that one is just to whet our appetite. You have their number, where?
Nobody go fit it, do you have more? I wonder my watch and know you are safe. May nobody joke with my obi kubana, because I know they use and play. Now my personal person. Hey, yo, I go take it for you. If they say na you, them go pass through. Don't want fast enough. I will protect you with everything.